to trades, how do you manage? Sometimes I'm entering at an OB or consolidation too. I have a knack for that. Well, if you're entering into a trade, you got to have an idea of where price is going to go, right? Some sort of liquidity. Right now, I know that there is a big chance that we can touch this purple line, but I also know there is a very big chance that price is going right up there, right? So again, even though we have a 70% chance that we come down to this purple line, it doesn't have to be right now. It could totally be after we fulfill the market's first mission, which seems to be this guy up here, right? So you just have to understand where price is going. We're starting to stall out and accumulate here. And I don't want to be in trades where we're accumulating. I want to be in trades where I get in and then we start moving, right? So I was able to cut that for basically break even. And now it's doing its thing, right? So again, I think the market, like I said, wants to go up to those data week highs first before creating a move lower. And a big telltale sign here was this guy here, chat. This was an opportunity for us to get down to that VWAP, and those sellers got trapped trying to do it. So that's what I was watching. I was watching the fact that we couldn't get back down there. And every time we've come back to revisit that area, we keep getting bought up and absorbed, right? So yeah. So chat, let's give a warm welcome to a very good friend of mine, a great trader, the VWAP legendary trader, Mr. Austin Silver. Let's bring him up to the stage, chat. Let's bring him up to the stage. What's up, bro? Yo, you made it just in time. Your mic is broken, by the way.
Sorry. What's up?
Yeah, what's up, dude? I said you just made it just in time for us to do a giveaway. How about that? Look at you, man. You always come right in time.
I'm the giveaway wizard, they say. I'm the giveaway troll, the giveaway wizard, whatever you want to call me.
Bro, you're the giveaway master, okay?
Giveaway master.
How was your day today?
Killer, bro. Having a really good day. I got some sauce for you, of course. I'm long some options right now, so trying to make some money over here right now.
Of course you are, man. I wouldn't see it any other way, bro. We cooked on stream with Clay, man. It was cool to have him on.
That's what I was going to ask. Was it good?
Yeah, it was really good.
I didn't have a doubt. You know what I mean?
Yeah, good vibes. He loved the community that we're building at Teammade or TraderMade. And,
how long did you have him on for?
We had him on at like an hour, probably a little slightly over an hour. But we traded together. Like we took the same concept, same trades. Yeah, I secured a $2,000 payout with him. So that was cool.
Love that.
But it was so I traded with the founder of Top Step, of Top One Futures, and I took money from Top Step with him on stream with me.
I think it's acceptable. That's acceptable.
That's funny, right? Yeah, I mean, I'd rather take money from Top Step than from him, you know?
Yeah.
I'm sure he rather that too, you know?
Of course. But I think he likes it too when you take payouts from him. Like when he comes on my stream and I'm trading their live account, like I'll take the daily payout right there and we'll bet on how fast his team will pay me out. I'm like, I wonder if they'll pay me out faster because you're on stream.
Yeah, I mean, exactly. But those are the perks, a little bit of the perks.
Try to.
You know, you gotta make it look good.
Yes, 100%.
But yeah, no, it was a good time, man. Cool dude. I love the fact that he lives in Brazil now. I'm actually very jealous about it because I'm like, man, that sounds so peaceful to me, like out in the mountains. You haven't visited him, right? While he's been there, I know he's moved.
No, he just made the move. But dude, he's originally from Kentucky, so he likes the nature. He likes the space.
Yeah, for sure. But it's very different, bro. Kentucky to Brazil, I'll tell you that.
Yes, for sure. In cultural ways, yes. But like, I think he likes the nature aspect,
the outdoors. Of it too. Yeah, for sure. I mean, as I get older, bro, I like it too. You know, and
100%.
Seeing your post of you in the sauna or the steam room with those.
Oh, dude, you got to come sweat, dude. You got to come get a sweat with me, bro.
But dude, that's sick, bro. That you have that with those.
Don't clip that, chat. Don't clip that.
Come sweat with me. Don't clip it, bro.
Yeah, let's do this giveaway, and then I want to show you my trades today, bro.
Let's do it. I want to get the sauce from you, bro. But yo, while we do this giveaway, I'm gonna finish eating, so I'm going to leave you solo dolo, bro. All right?
Good.
I know if anyone can handle it, I know it's you, bro. I think I'm gonna do 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Try to swallow. Actually, no. You know what? 4 minutes. How about that?
4 minutes is good.
We're gonna give away Take Profit Trader account for the first time ever on the PM stream, bro. Since I've been well, even more since not just since I have been. In general, we've never given away a Take Profit Trader because there was never a PM stream before me.
Pretty cool.
So guys, first TPT account here live with Austin. Live with my boy, Mr. Austin.
Alex, you going to come back when this is over and put me up on screen since this will be on the screen while you're eating? That'd be fun.
I'll be done eating by the time this is over.
Oh,
and
perfect.
we'll be ready to go together. Yeah.
You want to let me go grab a drink then too? Take me off.
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
we'll
I'll take
come
you
back in
off.
4
I
minutes?
got you. Yeah. I'll
Just
take
do
everybody
that.
off.
Yes.
All right,
just 'cause-
guys. Good luck. We'll be right back. We love you. We love you. Boom. All right, chat. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. I'll be right back.
Another morning, New York opens. The shadow comes to the ones who wait. The shadow comes, not a second late. No need to chase. No need to fear. The setup comes, and it's finally here. Tick, tick, stay patient. Coffee on the desk and the screens go blue. Everybody looking for something to do, but the market doesn't care what you want today. It only pays the ones who can wait. Some traders run and some traders force. Some traders fight the market's course, but the best moves come when the pressure fades and the right setup finally takes shape. The setup comes to the ones who wait. The setup comes, not a second late. No need to chase. No need to fear. The setup comes, and it's finally here. Wait for it, now it runs. Now it runs. One clean entry, one clear mind. One good trade, right on time. The setup comes to the ones who wait. The setup comes, not a second late. No need to chase. No need to fear. to the ones who wait. The setup comes, not a second late. No need to chase, no need to fear. The setup comes. Lunchbox legend.
All right, bro, we're back. We're back. Chat. We got our winner, Deba Deep.
Love it.
Not sure how to say that, but you know,
I think you did pretty good. I think you nailed it.
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'll take it. Congrats, chat, man. I got the worst food, man. I ordered Starbucks coffee and like a sandwich. My coffee was outside my door, spilled on top of my sandwich. Oh. I mean, like,
as you're talking about leaving the city, dude, that would never happen out here. They would like call you 4 times if they spilled it and be like, I'm so sorry, I'm going back to get you another one. In New York, they would never do that.
It's so upsetting.
Let me tell you why. I can sum it up for you very easily, bro. When you have too many people in one small location, like a city, you take human beings for granted. And then you live out here in the country where I live. My town has 3,000, almost 4,000 people. It's very small. People are so nice to each other, bro. The cop waves to you when he drives by here. Like everyone knows each other. So everyone you're not that close in proximity and there's not too many of you. So you value the connection more. But when you see all these people in the cities, it's easy to just not care about people. You just care about yourself.
Yeah. Insane, man. Insane. So yeah, that's just, tilts me a little bit. Not going to lie.
That's okay.
Always never fun to have.
Starbucks is a bad choice for lunch though in general. So shame on you if anything. Let's take
responsibility.
It is a
very bad deal, but it is my kryptonite, man. Gotta have everybody has to have their little kryptonite.
It's like crack, dude.
It is like crack.
I have these longs on this options right now, bro. If you put me on screen.
Oh yeah, I got you. Let me get you up there.
I have the options running right here. So you can see I'm up $500 on this. I can blow that up.
Sweet. Yeah, today's a great day for longs on options, bro, because you kind of have an idea where we're going, right? Like we're gonna go get those data wick highs.
100%.
And really we're just kind of grinding up higher with no real pullbacks or any way to really get into it at this point. So I feel like options is probably the easiest way to trade it.
I've been scalping it all day, dude. This is my second account trading. I mean,
are you the Ike CT? Are you the Ike CT of options trading?
No. But you definitely want to be scalpy with it, So it's crazy, bro. I mean, I think I can help you a lot with the options. I'm not an expert, but like it complements what we do with futures so well, bro. So like that trade that I was just in, I'm using the book map for ES to help my SPY options trades. It's super interesting and it works. But today I had a lot of good futures trades. So technically, you did get your whole coffee. Exactly. He got the whole coffee.
People are saying the funniest things here, dude, in this chat. I love it.
The chat's always funny. Yeah, I mean, price action today was actually very good for me. So it
was very good over the last 2 weeks. Today was one of my better days. Like I'm green on everything, so
good.
I'll take it.
Yeah, because I remember you had that one day when we were on the phone and you were like, I blew some accounts. I haven't blown accounts in a couple
Man,
of days.
I mean, it wasn't even just one day. It was like it felt like a whole week straight of just getting absolutely obliterated.
We got obliterated, dude. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a rough time for me. And it makes sense, right? If you look at the data on those days, like the last 2 weeks, bro, you can put together almost 5 days where we did the under 20% chance thing that we would do, right? Like,
that's gonna be tough,
I didn't adapt to, I wasn't adapting. I was still trading the way I've been trading since November, December. So what I did is I pulled risk off and kind of waited till I start to see, a good market that would work for me. And today was the first time I saw it. I did get burned on a pullback. I mean, me and Clay both got kind of burned at first. The pullback that we had at like 10 or like, let's say, what time was it at? It was at, we pulled back at around 1040-ish. That pulled back way deeper than I thought it was going to pull back. And I ended up getting stopped out for like $1,000, but then I ended up re-entering and made like 2,500. So it was it was like, at least I told everybody in the chat, I was like, guys, some people might be trying to short this thing. I'm not going to, because simply put, that would be me trading a 13% chance.
What are you going to do?
I can't do that, bro, on the data.
No,
I got to trade the 83% chance. So
100%.
So it ended up working out.
I can actually, in relation to that, so I'll show you the executions here, bro, are on the TOF live account. But I'm copy trading it to some Lucid stuff and a bunch of other stuff. So I'll talk about the actual P&L later, but just looking at the trades, it started with this long I had today, bro, pre-market, going into FOMC. I was long at 75.58, and I actually closed it right before FOMC at 55. And I did that for a small break even, basically. But I did it because my rules are not to trade into CPI. And I know
that would be dangerous.
It's dangerous because, like, you're talking about percentages of, like, how likely is it? Well, dude, I think CPI is kind of a toss-up. I didn't know it was going to go higher for sure. So it's a toss-up. So it's better.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Same thing, though, to like what you're saying about not playing the 12% probabilities. I felt like that was very similar. So I followed my rules.
Yeah. If you have any reason to doubt whether something's going to work out in your favor based on a probability side, I mean, CPI is like 50-50. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, people just gamble 100%. That.
So I got out, took a small loss on that, knowing I could just get back in. I actually did get back in, still pre-market. I bought 75.79, closed that at 84. So I took 5 points there, long. Then I waited. We had a really clean, you know me, in the double break. We have a double break today. It's 5 days in a row. The double break has been a winner. I can show everybody the 5 of them. But then I end up getting long after the double break. So second long, 75.76 here when we took VWAP. After that sweep lower, I think that you're talking about.
But would you say the double breaks are happening a little bit later in the day compared to like the last, like
I would say they're about between 10 and 11. That's usually when it comes. That's the sweet spot. Too early, I don't know if it comes usually before 10, maybe some of them, but then after 11, I don't think so. Not really. 11, 12 o'clock now. But I can show you them so we can look at that to be sure. But was this the sweep you were talking about, the pull, the like 10:15 this morning?
No, it was like that next candle. Nope, go back. You see that candle? Nope, right to your left. Nope, to your left, right. No, like right in between where you were, like back to where like go back up. Right there. That other big one, the big one that closes back down. Yeah, right there, that candle.
Yeah.
So it pushes up and then it pulls all the way back to, I don't know, where was that? That was 75.70, but on NQ it pulled back a lot more. On NQ it was so here's the thing, right?
Were we long at the same time?
Probably. I longed that 100%. I longed that.
I was long at 10:22 this morning, so I bet you we were long.
I'll tell you when I was long. I was long.
And you're saying NQ dipped lower, so it pulled back, stopped you out.
It stopped me out, and then I got back in. Yeah, so it broke below New York VWAP at a certain point, and I did not expect that to happen because also, if you looked at 50% of the New York range, which is that first hour range, we really shouldn't be closing below 50% ever, in my opinion, because if we're bullish looking for data highs or anything up there, why would buyers not defend that 50% area? You know what I mean? Where price goes to. And if you look at it from a data perspective, most people will trade the 25% fib after the IB gets taken. So once the IB high gets taken, a pullback to 25% or even 35% of that range is about a 60% chance it happens. So if you're in longs, you're gonna have to get a pullback will most likely happen 66% of the time. That's the data that we have on it.
Interesting.
But your stop would be 50% because you really shouldn't go there. That's like the data. So the fact that we closed at 50% today, and then the next candle literally shoots all the way back up on NQ, all the way to the highs again. It just goes to show you that there's a lot of, I want to say, fuckery for better words happening, because we really shouldn't have closed below that level. That kind of indicated to me that there was potentially a move that was going to happen that I wouldn't have wanted to see, because it would have indicated a double break, which we had a double break 2 days ago or yesterday. I think it was yesterday. We had a double break. We had a double break last week. Bro, double breaks are like, they happen like under 17% of the time. And we've had like 3 of them in the last 2 weeks. So something's been going on in the markets.
What does that mean?
It's the hourly range. So it's the same concept
of the IB range.
Yes, bro. That never happens.
I know that is not in a trending market. That's not going to happen.
70
then
to
it's
80% of the
volatile.
time, bro, we single break, right? 70 to 80% of the time we single break. That doesn't mean that you know how far it pulls back and all that kind of stuff. No one knows that
You
stuff.
need a
but-
different name, bro. Fuck you for taking my name. I got the double break for my trade. Don't call
Well,
it
it's
the
not.
double
I'm
break.
not calling it a double break. It's just,
Well,
you know, it's what
don't
it
be
is.
confusing me because now I'm confused, Alex. Don't fucking make me confused.
All I'm saying, bro, is for me to see a double break, I'm happy to see a double break on that. That's the 15-minute orb, right?
Yeah.
Or 30-minute. Which one is it?
15.
Okay. So a double break on the 15 makes sense. It's a 15-minute. It's a 15-minute range.
It's a tighter range.
But,
Yeah, correct.
bro, an
'Cause, like,
hourly range.
hourly
is
range, right?
crazy.
Seeing both sides of that break, and it's I understand 100%, 100%.
Yeah. So
like,
yeah, the markets don't usually do that. So that's the thing that we've been seeing a lot lately is the data has kind of been thrown out the damn door. And I blame it on.
You stay true to it. You stay true because
I am staying true to it.
Can't,
But bro, you know what
I'm
I'm blaming it on? You know what I've been blaming it on? I don't know if you agree.
Joe
but
Biden.
No.
Okay.
Zach kind of heard me say it the other day. He was like, man, you might be honest. I blame it on SpaceX. It never
Why?
happened until SpaceX was applied to the market.
Interesting.
Once SpaceX IPO'd, it kind of disrupted.
You know where it's at now?
No, I haven't even looked at it.
It's under IPO price. It's almost on. It's trading.
Bro, it's literally, it's disrupted the entire flow of how NQ and ES even move. Since that thing IPO'd, ES and NQ were just said, yo, we're on a break.
Come try the double break. Let me. Chat's asking.
Yeah, give us some double break sauce, bro, because I might need to switch over to your double
break.
break.
Easy. So I'll finish what I was saying just so you see my trades, bro. I want you to see. I took that long at 76. I closed it at 85 at opening range high, which is that 15-minute high. Stayed out of the longs after that. I got a bounce here. Look at this exit, bro, on this scalp. In at 83 on the turn off New York VWAP.
Yeah, but you're good at
here.
that. I always see you
88.
doing those sexy in and outs.
Nasty. Then I bought it one more time down here at overnight VWAP. So that's 75, 77. I didn't like how heavy I was with the 6 contracts.
Can I ask you a question? With all of this that you're doing, are you looking at Bookmap at all for any of this, or
the whole
no?
thing? Oh, the whole thing, and it's got orders above today. So with the orders above,
That's
it's
why you were. Yeah, that's why
75.90.
you were long.
I'm just
okay,
working
cool.
longs into the order, and look, even
So
right now.
the reason
Bookmap's
why I'm
top.
asking, the reason why I'm asking is because some of your top ticks, was there orders on the book there that's why you got out, or you kind of just felt it
It's
was
more the opposite. There's nothing there pulling it higher in that second, and there's something coming on below. So when I want to think to get out, if orders start coming on against me, I'll just scalp it out, and it worked out very well. It does often because you can always just get back in.
Yeah.
That's my
You did great.
mindset.
Yeah,
Just
you
get
did
back
great.
in.
We got Tyler G coming in to say what's up to us. What up, Tyler?
Tyler. And Nick's in the
Welcome,
chat. TTE, what's up, brother?
Nick in the house.
So then the last trade was this 77 entry. Closed some here just to de-risk. Then out at 85 and then out at 94, which is we are at 96 right now. And then I think there's orders above going into 7,600. In a day like this, dude.
Yeah, bro,
when
you're
this
top
goes to
ticking these trades.
7,600, I think 7,600 is getting touched this afternoon. So that's
And
why I was
yeah, but here's the question. Those were all on futures, or you're just marking out the trades you took on your options?
These executions are on my lead account, which is a live account with top 1 futures, and then that's copy traded. So this is all futures, and then on the option side,
Can I ask you how much you took home today with the copy trading?
Yeah, like 2,000 something. I'll pull it up.
Sick, dude. Sick.
It's
I'm
so
so
sick.
happy that you're copy trading.
Dude, it's one of them things where I'm like, I should have been doing this from a long time ago. Yeah, so today I traded for 20.
Ooh, look at my boy. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And I got more to add to this, so you'll see. I'm gonna have more tomorrow. I got more accounts.
Sick.
tomorrow.
Good stuff, dude.
Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. You've always been a motivator and a push for it, so I'm happy to be copy trading. But I was gonna say, the thing about it, bro, is like this looks good and the trading today looks really good. But you know what's better? And I think this is actually like the best thing I can brag about. So this is TradeZella for just my live account. So this is not the copy trading. It's just one account. This is the lead account. Look at the drawdown I took last Thursday, everybody. I lost $2,000. I hit max daily loss, basically. It took me
You're looking like me there, bro.
Yeah, exactly. But I also look like you when I stepped, 4 days back, and now we're back and where I should be for the month. So yes, it's a big loss, but look at my comeback. Look at how I stayed focused. I didn't oversize and try to make it all back in one day, everybody. That I think is better than any win I can show you. Wins, when you know how to trade, wins come. But being able to bounce back after losses and not tilting and just torching accounts, it's definitely an important skill, especially if you want to keep a live account like this. So I'm going to brag about that more than anything else.
I mean, I say it all the time, bro. Like, for me, my biggest trophy is the ability to bounce back after those losses,
100%.
and not have those affect you. Right? Most people can't do that. They full port, they tilt, whatever it is.
Yep.
I'm still working on myself. I've gotten to a place that I feel really good about, but I still allow myself to hit DLLs. You know what I mean?
I did on Thursday. But you know what the cool now that I'm back, I'm $70 away from break even, as you can see on the lead account. This is a daily payout account. So I'm basically tomorrow, if I make money, I'm taking a daily payout. We're back in the green. It took 3 days to get back on track. Not a big loss to me. But because I've done this so many times with my win rate over the years, it's been 70%. I know I'm going to take a big loss sometimes. I know it's going to take me 3 days to get it back, but that's okay.
Yeah.
It's cost doing business.
I mean, bro, we're in the same page, bro. I've done the same exact thing. You know, you look at my calendar, it's like 5 red days for the whole month, or let's say 3 red days for the whole month. But usually those red days are like DLL days, you know?
Yeah.
It has a lot to do with my strategy. My strategy allows me, because people might think I'm revenge trading, but it's not. A lot of times the strategy allows me to retake those trades because we haven't taken a higher low that I know has a high probability of being taken. And so I'll try it again. And when you put on risk, man, you know, sometimes you get burned. That's part of the game, baby.
100%, bro. 100%. Yeah, so I'll scroll back here. I'll just show you guys today's double break. And then if you want to learn more about this, please just go to my YouTube channel. You don't even have to.
You got a nice YouTube video on it.
I haven't
seen it yet, but I should check it out.
So we'll replay mode it, everybody. So my double break, separate from Alex's, is I'm looking at the 15-minute opening range. So that's important to understand. It's the high and low in the first 15 minutes. So once that's set is then when we can look for this trade. So if we put it in replay mode and we wait for the indicator to load, you'll see what happens is today we get the pump on CPI. It then kind of goes sideways into market open. And as it's going sideways, it sets the opening range. It then will break the opening range to the top. As soon as that happens, everybody on my stream starts screaming, double break, double break. Oh my God, double break. It's going to come. So
yeah. And why are you not, and I saw you didn't take that break to the upside there. What was it about it that made you not want to get into that one?
The break of the orb is not a trade I take because I think a lot of amateurs buy the breakout of the first 15-minute high and low.
They get absolutely destroyed.
They're getting smoked, dude. I think they put their stops at the opposite side, and that's actually my exit of the trade. So I'm very happy to take the other side of their trade most days. Today I did not. I didn't take it today because of the bullishness of the CPI, but usually, and I'll show you the last 5, they will go against trend and they'll still work because the double break isn't a VWAP trade. It's a range trade. It's a price.
Do you have actual data on the percentage of how many times it double breaks?
No, I got payouts.
You can, I know, but you can get that, right? There's probably a good 70% of time.
Dude, I'm busy. I got to hang out with my son. Don't make me work more, you know?
I hear you, bro. I mean, ask Claude, dude. I'm sure Claude will give it to you.
Dude, people will ask me all the time about the data. And I'm like, I don't have the data. You know, you want the data, you go get the data. I'm just going to keep trading, making money. But
yeah, for sure.
I tell everybody, I'm like, I wouldn't waste my time making videos about this if I didn't think it was going to help you. I make no money.
No, I mean, I see you make a lot of money on it every day, pretty much. So
yeah, it's been incredible. So what we'll wait for is that, which is the entry signal here. So let me just reset the indicator in the replay mode here. And you'll see it breaks the VWAP. Once it takes the New York VWAP, that's the trigger signal. The only thing you need with VWAP for this setup is New York VWAP. That's it. Yep. So you'll see it's a range trade, everybody. So and psychologically speaking, you're thinking buyers are being induced. They're creating that first breakout. We're closing underneath New York VWAP here. So that's the trigger for the sell. The stop goes at the session high. The target is at the session low. And today that lines up with overnight VWAP as well. So you got like what we call it.
That was a great trade.
Yeah. So then if we let's get out of replay mode because it just takes so long to load. Now you guys see the essence of the trade. And then you can see no drawdown to the target, and then it's buyers all the rest of the day. It was double break short and
as soon as we got back above,
that was it. So
as soon as we got back above that, we were gone skis, man.
Yep. And then target. So it's a simple trade, everybody. It's something that I think like if I was a new trader, it's what I wish I would have someone show me. Like just trade this, do something simple. Alex and I, like we have a lot of discretionary feel, and I think it's hard for new traders to like see that, and then it's overwhelming to like try to copy that. Try something a little more systematic like this, and then build from there, and then build into other, like Alex's lunchbox is systematic. Systematic things are, I think, where you want to try to build from. Don't try to build from discretion because your discretion sucks when you're a new trader.
It does suck. You're talking the language, man, of new traders, you know. The easy and simple is always going to be the best, especially if you can get a couple wins under a new trader's belt. They feel good about it, man, and it makes them want to learn more and, you know, kind of take it serious.
Guys, on that point, I used to tell everybody, like, because winning is so foreign and then stacking wins is so foreign, I would tell new traders, stop trading long and short. Just pick one side of the market or stay flat and do that for a month. And I bet you win more. Add in a
For
time
sure.
of day you stop trading every day, and I bet you keep your gains. But most people just want to keep trading. Well, we're all degenerates, but that's why we're here. You're on stream, we're trading. We love trading. So you have to control
Yeah,
hard.
100%. That's why I always preach 10 to 11, 12 to 1. Those are like the 2 time frames that if you come and learn with me, those are the 2 time frames where, like, if you miss 10 to 11 or it doesn't give you trades, 12 to 1 based on the, lunchbox stuff. But man, so have you always, okay. So that I've recently started looking at order flow, volume profile, point of control, all that kind of stuff.
Yes.
As an ES trader, I know you're an ES trader. As an ES trader, it makes a lot of sense. As an NQ trader, I'm still working on understand. I mean, I like the idea of seeing the orders hit the book and how many trapped sellers, buyers, and all that kind of stuff. I think that's cool. But as far as like the volume profile itself, I'm definitely still trying to figure out for NQ how necessary it is. But I think on ES, when I look at ES, I'm like, oh, it's so clean. Like, it makes sense.
Well, you know what's
like,
weird about this? There's a whole like interior or initial conversation we need to have. Are we looking at MNQ or NQ? MES or ES? Because I'm looking
at NQ versus ES.
I think that's what you should be looking at. I don't like the levels on the MNQ. I like the levels.
No, I don't look at. No, and you know what's cool about? I don't know if I said this to you, but you know what's cool about deep charts, bro? And I told this to Randy.
I need the whole download on this. You didn't tell me nothing about it. You send me cool pictures like chart porn, but you don't talk. I need details.
I did send you chart porn. So the cool thing about deep charts, which by the way, anybody here, if you do want to try out deep charts, I know it's expensive, but we have a 25% off with code TMADE, hooking you guys up here. So I just want to make sure you guys know that. But bro, what's cool about them? I'll show you on my chart real quick. What's really cool about, by the way, it looks like my regular trading view chart. So
yeah, I was just saying, I didn't even realize that was something different.
Yeah, this is deep charts, and I tried to make it look like trading view for people who have been on the stream watching me for the last 3 months. I don't want them to be like, yo, what the hell is Alex doing? So the cool thing is that I have volume profile here on the left, right? So you see volume profile, but let me get rid of the session marker here because that's going to ruin the volume profile. And so, yes, I obviously understand that this is, value area low, value area high. And I'm only looking at the regular trading hours. I'm not looking at overnight session volume profile because I just want to see where the buyers and sellers are transacting in the regular trading hours. Okay. So that's how I'm using it so far, and maybe I'll expand on that. But the cool thing is, it looks like trading view, so people can still that follow me can still understand it. Deep Charts is integrating my Lunchbox and my Teammate Core into it this week, so they'll be able to have that, which is pretty badass. But look, I have orders now that are inside the candles that are hitting the book. And it's really cool to see, right? Like you could see up here, man, I would not have wanted to be these buyers that got stuck there.
For sure.
You know what I mean, bro? Like they were trying to explore price outside of value and we got completely rocked back into the range, which is kind of happening right now, honestly, too. And making me want to short this thing here at 224. VWAP sitting at here. Guys, we might start to rotate, back to the Lunchbox VWAP here.
Why is Deep Charts expensive? What's the price of it? What are you paying for?
It's not that it's expensive. It's that you have to buy 3 months right now. They don't do anything under 3 months. And I think it's like $300.
Dependent, or do you just link your props into it?
You can either get Rhythmic or DX feed just for it, so just like TradingView, or you can just use your prop firm data, which is how I do it. I have the prop firm data, but I say it's expensive. Yeah, built-in copy trader. I'll show it to you right now.
So this is like competition for wealth charts. Deep Charts is competition for wealth.
Built-in. But I don't think wealth charts has order flow like these people do, right? So that's the difference. This is basically your ATAS or your Black Arrow, I guess. But then you also have Deep Dom, which I'll show you what it looks like. This is the one that I'm still trying to get used to, but it's pretty badass looking. This is their version of the book map, right? Yep. So all the orders up here, I can see orders at, whatever this is, all the way up to...
Shit changed real quick, bro. We went from having book map and that was it to now there's like 4 other companies with like something like it. It's crazy how quickly the industry changes.
Yeah, and it's cool, man. Like I met the guy who created this stuff. Like he's like, one of those really tech savvy kind of dudes. I mean, you got to be smart to create this kind of stuff, and yeah, he's the one integrating the teammate stuff into it, but this is really cool. So I'm giving away every single day. I'm giving away one 30-day trial to all of it. You get the Deep Dom, which is the book map version looking part of it. You get the Deep Charts with the order flow and the big trades and all that kind of stuff. And so you would have to pay $300 right now to get it. And we're going to be doing 30 days where you can just try it out, which is awesome. Yeah. Obviously you have to win it, but yeah, man. So, this is cool just to see where the orders are sitting on ES and NQ. NQ has big orders here at the 880s, which we obviously know we can't get above that area right now. Let me just move this out of the way. But, what I was going to show you is I can literally go on the right-hand side here, bro. I can go to MNQ. Watch, I'll show it to you. I'll just do it because it's so cool. I can go to MNQ, right? So let's say the movement's really crazy and I'm like, yo, I need to get into a micro and not a mini, but I could take it on the mini's chart. Look at this. I'll sell one of these bad boys right here. So I'm in one of these short, right? Oh, I got out already, but that was on micros. I'm up 240, but I did it on the NQ chart, and you see the entry and exits on the NQ chart.
That's cool.
That's my favorite part about this so far, because for me, I always like looking at the NQ chart. I don't like looking at the MNQ because we all know that the MNQ and the MES, the levels and stuff are not the same. And so to be able to still see my executions on the NQ chart, I think is my favorite part so far. The order flow stuff is cool. I'm still getting used to it, but that's my favorite part so far. I thought I'd show it to you.
Love it. Yeah, this looks very cool. Very sharp.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm enjoying it, man. They're cool over there. So yeah. But again, I was like, man, right now you guys are competing against order flow platforms. I think there's a huge group of TradingView people like myself who would like to get into order flow, but it needs to look and feel like what we're used to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm trying to work with them to help build out indicators that you would use in TradingView, like an IFVG indicator. I mean, I feel like that's like common. You do need that. Everyone has that. I asked them to build out an indicator that shows the hourly highs, the 4-hour highs, so that you could be on a lower time frame chart and you could still see higher time frame lows and highs on that chart, so that if we sweep a 4-hour low, I don't have to go look at the time and try to figure it out, Yep. So yeah, it's been a cool journey with them, man, and we'll see where it goes. But
can you look at ES?
Yeah, I could put whatever I want up here.
What do you have right under 7,600 on ES right now?
Oh, I have to put it in. Hold on. Let's go to it. Let's go to new. See, someone like you would enjoy this, and if you want, I can hook you up. Because you would. I'm a nerd.
You're gonna say because I'm a nerd?
No, you're already looking at this stuff, so you could compare it and figure out what the difference is. So here's the ES one. Let's see.
Yeah, what's that fat stack? Okay. What price is that on?
7,600.
Yeah. So
I have one. Do you see a 1.1K lot up there?
Yeah. 1,067.
I see 1.1K, and then I see 566 right above it. So total of like 1.7K up there.
I don't see the 566. I see 267 right above it. No, I see the 566. I see it.
Yeah, 566, 1.1K, 1.1K.
1,700 up there right now.
And then at 7,601, you got 266 lots sitting up there. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I mean, again, I have to figure out my use case.
Look to the left there. You can see what it does. You see these orders. I mean, this thing looks cool. This looks like it's filtering out something because it doesn't look as crowded as mine. Those blocks
definitely that you're filtering out a bunch of stuff.
Probably algos. Those blocks though that you're seeing, the purple, I bet you that's the heat that I'm seeing, and that's usually what I use as a magnet for my trades for targets.
Yeah, those are probably algos for sure. Yeah, you can see the rejection off of those areas.
On Bookmap, you see everything, bro. I see all the algos. You start to know what it looks like when you're looking at it on Bookmap.
I just started looking at this thing, bro. There's icebergs and all sorts of stuff. I don't even know how to put it on here.
Yeah, so Randy's on that for me right now. I'm not on the icebergs. When Randy comes on with you, you can talk to Randy about that. The stop.
Yeah, we'll have to compare, dude.
Well,
but it's definitely cool to look at this thing.
It is. Because what I'd like to say is, like, if you were looking at trades right now, you'd think that this block above at 7,600 is
going to get probably tagged today.
Yeah, it's going to get tagged because it's that whole number, or it's heavy resistance. That's what I don't know. If I knew that, I would be a gajillionaire. You know what I mean? But
yeah, for sure. I don't think anybody knows. But I think if you're looking for longs, right now you're just looking for a good entry.
Your target. That's like your pull.
Yeah, that's your target, and you're looking for a good way to get into this thing right now. How can you get in? Really is the question.
Yeah. I think that like a lot of my trades, even this morning, the pre-market trade, I'm looking at the levels on the book map and the heat. And I'm looking to say, well, what could be more likely to be touched? The heavier block above, heavier block below. That's kind of how I use it. It looks like this is kind of doing that for you, which is nice.
Yeah, and look, you got bubble grouping, bubble size, top contrast.
Yeah, so I don't do
liquidity
anything with the
contrast.
bubbles. The bubbles
don't know.
are confusing to me because this is my thought. Like, if you can adjust the size of the volume balls, then what's the point of having them on? Then it's a subjective piece of analysis. It's not
For
factual
sure.
like that heat
And
block. That heat
that's
block.
literally
is
why
factual.
I'm not even touching this thing, bro. I'm just gonna see, I'm gonna let this thing do its
What
thing.
NQ look
I
like?
can
What's
also
the
do this.
NQ?
I can also enable the chart DOM, which is kind of cool.
No,
too.
that now we're out of my pay grade.
I don't know if we need this, bro, but it's there, man.
No.
It's there.
Yeah, dude, that makes you look smarter. I don't know if need is a stretch. Makes you look smarter though.
Yeah, I don't need that. I think I'm gonna stick here.
Can you see the blocks on NQ, sir?
Yeah, let's go. Let's go back to NQ here.
Yeah, DeBoss in the chat, 7,600, a lot of gamma exposure. Not only gamma, I mean, that whole number, it's been pinned 3 times today. At this point in the day, I don't know if we're likely to touch it or just continue to dance near it. And
So again, the NQ right now, what I'm seeing on the books for NQ.
Anything below?
No, I'm not seeing shit below up until like 29,810, 29,800.
That there's more pull higher here, you'd think.
You would
Unless
think,
it's
right? Yeah.
head
What?
resistance
Wait.
above.
We're starting to get some stuff up here.
There you go.
So I don't know. Again, I'm still not 100% sure if this is
Why green and
stuff.
purple?
Like, I don't know if this was, yeah. So green are buyers, purple's going to be sellers, obviously.
Mhm,
I don't
mhm.
think we know 100% if it's, you might think it's a massive seller and then maybe, that a buyer absorbs it all. So, that stuff is all stuff that I'm still trying to figure out. But one thing I can say is it is interesting to see, like, are these orders that are sitting on the book, like at 29,840 and 29,833, right? Like, I can't tell.
I can tell you that the book map for me, the heat like this, performs differently in pre-market, I feel like, than it does. And it's like New York session. Like, it's almost like there's algos that kick on in the New York session that are not on in pre-market. So it makes it work differently. Yeah.
Yeah, if I had to guess, we're probably going back up to those 880s. Did we touch this? Did we go to Lunchbox? Not yet. But yeah, so I'm, this is something that I'm playing around with, bro. And what I'm going to do, I've committed to doing a 30-day review of trying this out for 30 days as a profitable trader who never traded order flow before. I'm going to be trying this out and seeing how I'm able to use this stuff with what I'm already doing that I know works and makes me money. You know what I mean? And so I'm going to come and do a review on it. Like, I might have a review at the end of this and be like, guys, I love deep charts as a platform, and I'm going to continue to trade with them because I love how smooth I could put an order in and I could drag the orders and have it become a bracket order. You know what I'm saying? And then I can move it around and do whatever I want. Like, I like the smoothness of the platform. I like how snappy it is. I like how quick it is. I like that, that I was able to make it look like what I'm used to. I like that we're building out the Lunchbox and the teammate core stuff into it. Like, all that stuff's amazing. So yeah, I'm super happy about it. But the one thing is I might end up in 30 days be like, guys, for the way I trade as a data-driven trader, it's cool to see the orders, but I don't really need it, or whatever. Like, so I'm gonna have a very, very good 30-day review where I'll break it down. And people could get, they can take whatever they want, whatever value they want out of it. But yeah, I'm still not sure about even when I used to look at Bookmap back in the day, I was never really sure about Bookmap on NQ. Like, I feel like Bookmap on ES is just, or even when I had ES up, I just feel like it's so much cleaner. You could see that 1.1K lot up there. You could see, you know what I'm saying?
100%.
Like, I don't know. So yeah, maybe there is. I think a guy who does good at this is Rips. I've seen him look at this stuff and trade this kind of stuff. For me, it's like, to me, it's gibberish right now, but we're trying to break down the language.
One thing I know about the order flow is these order flow guys each have their own unique style for it. I've talked to a lot of them for the podcast. Scott Pulcini's been on a couple times, tried to show me how he does it. Sometimes it feels like he's speaking a different language. So everybody's got different experience and different way of reading it. You know what I mean? I will just be honest, bro. I think VWAP is still the most powerful thing out there, to be honest. 100%. It's the simplest way of trading. You buy it when we're above, you sell it when we're underneath it. You probably can get out of that trade and make money. It's so simple. People don't believe it's real. Literally,
yeah,
bro.
it's so stupid that people don't believe it real. I mean, I can't believe how many times, like you go into my Discord and you ask people in there, like, what their best trade ever has been. It's literally been just buying a retest of VWAP. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's that easy. So yeah, we'll see, man. If I'm going to tell you this, man, if this allows me to get to $500,000 in payouts, then you know what? I'm going to look at this thing. You know what I mean? 100%. And that's how I see it. That's how I see it, But we have people saying 1K likes. I think we hit 1,000 likes on stream, bro.
That's awesome.
On YouTube.
Bro, let me tell you, wait till you see this podcast studio I booked for us in September. It's really nice. Sick. Like Logan Paul uses it. All the big dogs use it.
Sick, dude. I mean, the one you use in Miami is nice too, so I can only imagine. Is it like that?
Equivalent, if not better.
Woo!
Yeah,
Get me all tickly inside, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of 4-person podcasts, like 3 of them in one day on Saturday. So I have you in one of them.
Okay, perfect. Is it gonna be more like a round table, me and you? Okay, sweet.
You, me, Zarb, and I think KV.
Okay, sick, perfect. We got the boss in the chat saying, Alex, order flow is best for ES. It has the largest volume. It is the big daddy. You know, I was messing around with Zarb last night. I was like, bro, I've done 150K in payouts since like the end of November to now. What if I just become unprofitable looking at order flow? He started laughing.
Not likely, bro. Not likely.
Yeah, no, for sure. But it was just a funny thing, you know. But yo, I appreciate that you said that you didn't notice that this was not TradingView when you first came on, because I don't want people to come in and be like, yo, what is Alex doing? Know.
Yeah, at a quick glance, you can't. It looks gray. It looks the same.
Yeah, it looks gray.
You know what's interesting? Just to our conversation about ES versus MES, I'm looking at ES. ES is sitting at value area high, previous day value area high. MES is sitting at POC, telling me 2 different things. If I'm at POC, I'm in the middle of the range. I could trade up to VA to value area high. Yeah. But if I'm at value area high on the ES and we've knocked on it 5 times today and haven't broken above it, I don't want to be long. So now looking at this, bro, the orders above rate at 7,600 and us sitting at value area high at 95, 5 points under that, tells me this is coming down.
Yeah, and here it comes. That's from an MES perspective?
Yeah, just from what I would say based on value area, trusting the ES over the MES.
Yeah,
the MES.
I mean, NQ is failing to see anything above its value area high currently. Those are words that you would have never heard me say before. Like,
if you put me up on screen, I can show it to you visually, so you can see.
Yeah, in the last 5 days, bro, I would have never said value area high, value area low, or any of that crap.
I'll give you this is just my take, and I'm not an expert.
No, but I do like you saying that, because I'm starting to look at it, and I think there is value in it. Honestly, I really think there is value. See how I use that? You see how I use that? No pun intended.
I like the pun. Yes, I do. Let's go. So ES is up here. This is value area high, the dotted line. So I'm looking at it now and I'm saying, okay, we rejected. We cannot break above that value area high. How I trade value area, bro, is this is the top of the range. The value area low is the bottom of the range. And this is where 70% of the transactions happened yesterday. That's what Zarb taught us. So I want to be long above value area high when we're breaking and retesting above it and we're expanding above. Otherwise,
because you know that buyers have control. If not, they wouldn't be there.
Otherwise, especially after doing this, it's going to resist value area high and come down. Okay, so we're on the same page. Now look at MES. MES, which is what I traded today. You see on my executions, but MES says this is POC, which is middle of range, saying we have room to trade higher, which I don't know if I believe that, because then I look at the book map and look at this heavy wall of orders we were talking about, 7,600. Value area high, 7,600, wall of orders. That smells like resistance to me. That smells like we pull back now, not go higher through it. And I could be wrong, but that's my take on looking at the two and why I prioritize the ES over the MES.
No, for sure. And I prioritize NQ over MNQ. I mean, if you looked at today, you know, I trade the initial balance with a bunch of other things combined, but just today alone, NQ took the initial balance high, MNQ didn't take it. So if you were in an MNQ, you had to go through a gnarly pullback because your TP never hit, because NQ hit, you know? So that's why, that's the only reason why I bring this up, is because not only am I adding to what you're saying, but I'm bringing it up mostly because that's my favorite thing about deep charts so far, is that I can trade MNQ on an NQ chart. I hate it that that's the simplest thing. And I like that about it, you know, but that's the thing I find the most value.
Yeah. I like coming together. Then maybe we should be short right now, off value area high, back towards VWAP as a reversion play.
Yeah, and I think we're going to be trading back towards the lunchbox VWAP. Yeah, so I'm looking at it on NQ right now. I'm going to probably take a stab at this. I'm in right now. Okay. I'm in 2 contracts here. Yeah, I'll take it. So I'm giving it a shot here. Could absolutely not work, but I
like it, dude. I like it. I mean, on ES, I'm looking at targets back at 85 on the shorts. If you want, on the NQ, you probably can get 29.8. That'd be great. 40 points. That'd be sick. That'd be a lot.
So, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm looking for a push into that line there. So I'm looking for these, like, kind of like these 824s. Stop's going to go above this here. So kind of a little bit of a negative R here, but look at those sellers coming in. Look at them. Look at that 200 lot here. If we can start to see a leg here, and you see this delta coming into on the right-hand side, So that's something that you should kind of help put on my chart for me. The delta is kind of interesting. So it starts to move as we start to look like we're going to take this move lower, right? So I don't really want to see a pop back above the 45s to 50s here, because as we're building here, we need to see this thing kind of just lose it. It needs to flush down here. If we hold this area, these sellers, there we go, baby. Let's go.
Flush it, buddy.
Let's go, right? Look at that flush. As I'm talking about the flush, bro. Let's go. $850.
Good, didn't we there? Come on.
$850 profit, bro.
Right into the 80s there for ES.
An $850 profit there. ES tapped Lunchbox VWAP. NQ attached Lunchbox VWAP. Let's go, chat.
Good job.
Let's go. Beautiful call out there, Austin.
Thank you. Glad everybody could make a little money on that. Good trade. Good job getting in that short. Little slider there in the afternoon, dude. That's a slider coming across home plate right at the end there. Takes a left turn.
You came through with the right read there, bro. It worked out perfect. And for me, I don't take any trade.
Dude, we were looking at longs with the orders above. Then start putting the picture together. ES, value area high, orders above could be resistance. It hasn't broken all day. Boom. 6 minutes later, it dumps. Everybody makes money.
Yeah, and I mean, look, bro. Look at NQ also failing to get above that value area high multiple attempts, bro. And look at this. I mean, this is what I'm always looking at. So
now
you're
seeing what I'm seeing on the value area, where if we're
100%, dude. And I'm also seeing, look at these orders, bro. Look at from a perspective of trapped orders. Look at all those buyers. We had 300. Yeah, 300 chasing that breakout. They got some completely absorbed. There's definitely a passive seller still up here, So until 100%. We get above this, this makes sense. But I will say this.
You didn't, and I think it's worth pointing out for the chat too. I'm not looking at longs when we're really close to the value area high. I don't want to be long into the level that we may reject.
No, you want to trade to that.
To it from a further point away, or when we are above it and clearly holding above it, then get into it. But when we're near it, I'm looking to the left and seeing what Alex is saying and seeing, hey, we've resisted. I'm going to just do what Brian says in the book. Levels that have been created are likely to be held, not broken and changed. So you should just rock with what's been happening.
For sure. And the thing I'll add to that is, for me, it's important to have an area to trade to, right? So like you just said, we're not going to long into value area high when we're at value area high, but what we could do is short into Lunchbox, that shit's sitting right there. Mm-hmm. So, we had a nice area to exit. I wouldn't be surprised if we hold Lunchbox here at these 820s and we head back higher. I wouldn't be surprised.
To say too, Alex, the book map thing about like seeing the orders above. It just, like everybody you see, I'm not a bookmap trader alone. I'm not a VWAP trader alone. I'm a value area, VWAP, and bookmap. It's all three coming together. That's the three things of what I think.
You're an all-in-one, bro. You're a chameleon.
Well, I think that's where my edge is, where it's like some people would be like, Austin, you said there's orders above. It's got a magnet. We should be long. It's like, no, you have to apply the discretion of the value area, the prices we've rejected, the VWAP today, and then get to a conclusion that makes sense, which I think we all walked into short very nicely there.
No, for sure. 100%. I think you said it perfectly, man. For me, I'm the same thing, bro. That's why I don't say I'm an initial balanced trader. I would never say that to anyone, because I'm more than that. I'm a VWAP first. Like that's going to be like a big, I might try a buy here, guys. I'm going to get into a long here, back into the, towards the value area high, essentially.
Get a little bouncy real quick. Dude,
I'm going to just risk a little bit of money.
It's funny you asked me about my double break stats. The guy who's in my Blackshirt Club who's helping me with my book, he's a stats nerd. He's a crypto guy. He's a stats guy. He's got stats here. His bot that is taking the double break trade with no filters on.
Hit me with it, baby.
MES 37 wins, 56 losses, 2.6 profit factor, 66% win rate. MNQ 65% win rate, 1.8 profit factor. Nice. With a filter on, so that's great right there. With a filter on, which is invalidate the double break if price moves more than 50% of the range before coming back. So if range is 10 points and it goes 16, which is more than 50%, more than 5, it goes 6 points out of range, then it would be invalid. We would not take that double break. That increases the win rate on the ES to 70% and the profit factor to 3.5.
Yeah.
So there's your stats.
I'm
it's
with
about
you, baby.
70% win rate, 2 profit factor on average.
I'm with you, bro. And somebody just said something in the chat here that's very interesting about us not touching VWAP. You're right, guys. On TradingView, we haven't tagged it yet, but we're like, you want to be a DICK for a tick? We tapped 808. We tapped We tapped 810.75 and it's sitting at 809 essentially. So it was a 1 point tap, chat.
Alex, I got to bounce on you, brother. I got to meet.
Yeah, no worries, bro.
And I didn't
Leave
realize
me,
we were
man.
hanging out
Just
for so long.
leave me, bro.
I know, but hey, we made money short, so enjoy that. And now go
We
make
did
some
make money
long.
short. I appreciate you being on here, dude. I love the chats. I love the hangouts.
Love hanging out. Yes, yes. It'll
Yeah,
be good
dude.
to see you in a couple of weeks, dude.
It is going to be good to see you, bro. I'm excited, guys. If anybody doesn't know, man, we got something cooking for September. Chat, be on the lookout. But yeah, bro, appreciate you, man. Thank you for everything you've done for me, man. I appreciate you as a human, as a trader, as everything, bro. Much
You're
love,
the man, bro. You're the man,
Big
buddy.
W's
All right,
to
everybody.
Austin, chat.
Good to see you. Everybody, connect with me. Find me on Insta. Find me on Twitter. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks, Alex.
Peace out, my brother. Yep. Bruce. Chat, big W's here to my boy, Austin. Big W's here to my boy, Austin, for coming on, hanging out with us. Coming on and hanging out with us. What's going on in September? We're doing something special, man. Guys, look at this pump here off the VWAP, chat. Pump off the VWAP. I think we're going to make a move. I mean, I could take it here. We could reject that area, chat. There's a big order there. I'm going to bring my stop in now. We're going to tighten these up, tighten this risk up here, chat. And see if we can get a push into, we'll take 330 bucks here. That would be 22, 32, 42, almost 20 points, chat. Almost 20 points on this long. Let's see if we get it. I'm going break even, chat. Going break even. Let's see if we get it. Come on. Tag me. Let's go. We're almost there, chat. Ooh, we are centimeters away. Centimeters away there, chat. Centimeters away. Well, that's uncool. Lucky Bond says, Alex, can you please share the best settings for VWAP? I'm trying to add it to TradingView. Yes, I can. I absolutely can. Just waiting to see if we get touched here. If we get tagged here, chat, if we can get this trade here, we're going to basically have all four of these at 1,500 for today. All right, guys, did we just hit the trade? Did we just hit the trade? Nope, not yet. We're almost there. That was another oof. That was 837 and I'm 837. I'm 838. That was 837.75, chat, and I'm 838. Talk about some BS, chat. Talk about some BS. I'm going to move it up, chat, since it might pull back here. Next attempt higher. I want to see it break through these orders here. That sucks, chat. Pulled right back. Pulled right back. Alex, what are your settings on deep charts? So I'm going to have yeah, we just got taken break even, chat. Breaking even out of that trade. I still like it though. I'm going to try it again, chat, with 2 contracts this time. Let's see if we get a push back up. Going to try to go break even quickly here because since we failed that push higher here, we could see a sweep of this low again. So we'll see. I got a little aggressive there. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I should have just done the 2 contracts early on from that area. Yeah, we're going to get taken out of this. All right. We lost 460 there, chat. Still like it, though. These 800s, if they hold. I should have put my order lower, chat, because there was a big order here that was going to get defended, right? Let's see. I still think this has potential, chat. We got a devil's mark up here. Let's see. The reason why I'm hesitating on the longs again is because I'm waiting to see if TradingView touches the VWAP at 809. Another D mark here at 29,849, chat. I'm going to try it one more time, chat. See if we get a push here. Because we should, I mean, we're holding that VWAP pretty closely here. I feel like I got to give this room, though, because of lunchbox high is 829. See if we get a push back above that. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get that push, chat. We got to get through this area. We got to actually get a break through these 39s here. Come on. Let's get a pump here. Tying up my risk here, chat. I don't want to see us pulling back. I just want to see us moving here. And I'll take it there. I'll take it there. I don't mind that. 2:53 p.m. Eastern time. We got a new candle opening up, a higher time frame candle opening up in 7 minutes. Does it have what it takes, chat, to get back to these 40s here? Here we go, chat. We're trying to push it. As soon as we get to this bubble here, I'm going to break even, chat. I'm break even here. There we go, chat. Beautiful. Up 1,075 here. Made back that quick loss. Made back that quick loss. We're going for that devil's mark, in my opinion, chat. What time frame am I on? I'm on a 200-second chart. I'm on a 200-second chart, my boy. But really what I was looking at was this, chat. Look at the positive delta that came in here on the right-hand side, right? And we had a massive seller here. So why is there positive delta coming in when we have a massive seller here at the lows? Right? That was the reason why I jumped into that second trade there. I waited a second, then I jumped into it. But yeah, chat. We're chilling. Why 200 second? I like the 200 second because Ocala trades it, the 200 second, and I've just been looking at it. It's basically just a 3-minute candle. It's basically a 3-minute candle, chat. But with deep charts, I'm able to use the 200 second. I don't, with TradingView, you can't use it because TradingView doesn't have tick data. Chat, we have another surprise guest. You guys know this man. He is the man that brought me deep charts. He is the man that created the want in my body and in my mind and in my soul to start looking at order flow. You know him as Yush. I know him as my brother from another mother. Let's bring this man on the stage. No oil today, chat. No oil. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? No, yo, honestly, it's like we're brothers, bro, from another mother.
We are brothers from another mother. I feel that way, man. I feel that way. Yo, look at Zarb in the chat saying, "What's good?"
What's good, Zarb? What's good, dude? What a day!
What a day! You make a lot of money today, or what? Because I made a lot of money today.
Yeah, I'm up 3K on this
Woo! Day. My boy said he's up 3K. Chat, let's clap for this man. Let's clap for this man. Let's give him a little explosion. Let's give him a gunshot. Another one. Another one.
Yo, pull this up. I think so. I've been messing around with edge flow, right?
All right, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Look, I'm gonna send it to you on WhatsApp. You
Why don't
can put it on the screen.
You don't want to share your screen, your beautiful screen?
I already took a screenshot. Send it to. I'm gonna share my screen though. I'll share deep charts. You can put this up.
All right, I just gotta make sure I don't share your number. Hold on a second. I want.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't do that shit, bro. Don't do that.
Can you imagine, dude?
I gotta get a new number. Oh, man.
All right, I got it. Damn, my guy came in here saying he's messing around with Edgeful.
I was looking at some data. You got me. See, I got you in order flow. You got me into data, dude.
Let's go, baby. We got him into something. All right, chat. This is the screenshot that my boy told us to look at here.
So, why this is important is we are in that 6% right now. This is 5 years of data. We have not taken out overnight high or low on NQ. And yes, we're in that. This is 5 years of data, right? We're in that 6% of outlier right now where we haven't taken out high or
the
low.
overnight high or low, right?
Yeah, and we're about to enter the last hour of the day.
What would you say overnight high is today? 922 on NQ?
So let me give you that. Yeah, 921.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're looking at the same thing. I've been trying to get long this whole time, bro, because I think we should take the high. I think at this point, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, there's no way we're going for the low of the overnight range breakout, unless Warsh or Trump tweets. Right? Are you with me, or are you thinking the opposite? What are you thinking?
I honestly have no. ES is the one kind of lagging behind today, especially near these highs. Do you have your deep charts open, or I can just open
of course,
mine?
Man. Come on, bro. What do you think this is? This is deep charts right there, dude.
Okay. Is this ES? I can't tell.
This is NQ, but you want ES?
Yeah, pull up ES.
I got you, baby. I got you. Let's get the ES chart. See, the thing is, I haven't set up the ES chart in the light theme. So we're gonna
no, I got you. Let me pull it up then. Theme. If you don't have it, I can share my screen.
I have it here. I have it in the dark theme right here.
Okay. Make it bigger.
I got you. Let me
show the chat. This is some sauce here. This is what I think. This is why price is not going up, in my opinion.
Well, you know what? Your opinion is all that matters.
All right, zoom out on the ES.
All right, I got you. What time? You want me to look at a certain time frame, or
it doesn't matter? You'll see the big trades. How you're just trapping a lot of buyers at these highs, right? Each time we've tried to really push, ES is very clear where buyers are really getting trapped.
But what do you think about these sellers that have come in here with that 600 lot, that 627 lot that just recently hit the markets?
It's looking good, but it's in the middle of the range, right? I in my Discord, I say you never want to diddle in the middle, You never
and it's in the middle, man. I like touching the middle, bro.
It tends to lead to a lot of choppy action, right? It could stop you out and then go. I just like to trade at the extreme points. And if you look at the extreme point, look at all the activity happening there near the
Well, how come you're not short off the value area high, huh?
Well, I'm being a little cautious because I like the strength. It's just there's not momentum to take it higher, right? Yeah. But there's not much momentum to go lower either. Look at how we've moved on ES and NQ off the value area low. It's just straight up. The structure looks really good for longs. It's just that there's not much momentum to push it higher above value area high.
I mean, one thing I will say is we have daily value area high both on NQ and ES here. We're pretty much rejecting that. And we also have that daily POC on both ES and NQ at the highs, and we're rejecting that currently now. Yeah. So, I mean, if you're looking for a move higher, though, which I kind of am here towards the power hour, are you, would you want to see POC above, or would you want to see POC below, essentially?
I'll tell you exactly where I would look to short, okay? I don't want to short in a positive gamma environment because this is an environment where you see a lot of mean revergence and slow grinds. If you really want to see sells, you want to see acceleration to the downside, right? Mm-hmm. And I think if it get below the 0 gamma level, which is right now, it sits below 580, and on ES it's below 760. Okay, that's where.
No, yeah, for sure. So 580 is below the gamma level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's a long way to go, no?
Sorry, my bad. 580 on ES and then 760 on NQ.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah. That makes a lot more sense, my friend.
I'm personally waiting for that, Alex, to go even consider short. Maybe I add him to, so I'm up 3K right now.
So you really do trade the extremities, man, because I would say 760s is pretty much the extremity of this. That would be closer to the value area low.
I mean, I want to trade. I want to get the quickest return on my money, and that's where I could see quick return. Where I can make.
So you're kind of either a breakout trader or you're a reversal trader when the breakout fails. You're taking the opposite direction towards value area high. If you're looking for, if the value area low short fails and pops back into the range, you got trap sellers below. You're looking for that long into 50% of the range, or maybe even value area high, essentially, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, I know my boy Yusha's strategy like that. Ooh, because I watch Chart Fanatics. Ooh, yeah, that was me last night.
I put it up there. Look, you see that in the middle? Yeah. I gotta hang it up, but for now it's there. My wife just put it there.
I watched your Chart Fanatics last night, by the way. My first time watching it, bro.
What'd you think? What'd you think?
I thought you did a great job, bro. I loved how you played a lot with Riz about like getting him 100K payout. He was vibing, dude. He was like, "Yo, let me get that payout." It was funny because I saw a recent interview or I don't know where he was that he was talking about that he did 100K in this year so far in payouts.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, I wonder if he's using order flow and he's using Yusha stuff.
I think he's just he's coming in. I've been trying to get him to come to the futures space, right? He just trades Forex right now.
Oh, he's still CFD.
Yeah. Hopefully soon he comes to the futures. I've been telling him it's fun. We'll send some evals together. Have fun.
100%, bro. Do you want to talk to us about Gamma? I know you've been talking about Gex levels. To me personally, I know you've been sharing stuff in your Discord. Do you want to talk to the people here of this beautiful chat before we do another giveaway? Do you want to talk to them about what you might be working on, my friend?
Oh yeah, sure. So I'm working on a custom gig spot essentially. So the gig spots already exist, but more so like a way you can interact with it, see it more visually. So it's visually appealing along with trading view charts behind it. So it's not an indicator, it's just a web platform that I'm kind of building out. That's what I was working on. And then you said hop on. So I was like, all right, let me take a break from this and then see what the market's doing.
You're a workaholic, you know what I'm saying? So we had to get you on here.
I just like building tools, man. So it's gonna help me and a lot of people. Because
it's gonna help me and everybody here on PFM.
Yeah. Because it goes.
So tell me about those Gex levels. What you're looking for, and what if those Gex levels are in the middle of a range? Do you avoid those?
So usually, look. Let me tell you where they are right now. Right?
Yeah, bro. Give us some sauce.
We are at 800 is one right now. So we're at one right now on NQ, like a call resistance. And above, we kind of reject that at 880. 880 was another one, which you rejected in the morning.
So 800, 880. I mean, look, I know that I told you that I was starting to use this. Oops, wait. Let me see. Where did we reject from? I mean, we had a massive sellers here at these 880s on the book here. Yeah, up here.
Yeah.
Up here on NQ, man. We had
yeah. I was gonna say
to find it. 29,880. Yeah, right here.
Ooh.
We popped up into those 880s, man. It got absolutely absorbed.
Yeah, so that was a call resistance area. Right now, we're kind of pinned between 880s and 800.
800s, yeah.
And this is what I'm telling you. The zero gamma level it's moving up a bit now, right? So in the last hour, so I only look at the gamma levels on the 0-day options. So in the last hour, they're gonna expire within an hour, right? So those really move much faster. So the accuracy, you got to kind of be like, okay.
You're a 0 DTE guy? What?
Oh, you look at the data for that because you get the biggest reactions off those.
For
right?
sure. Yeah.
And they're really good, especially for the morning session. Scalping off them is Confluence along with what you're seeing. So that's where it goes really good with order flow because you get those levels and you can kind of see from
what the reactions at those levels.
The reactions at those levels, seeing what's happening behind the scenes. And it confirms.
Look at the volume, man. Look at the volume coming in here at the 800s.
Yeah, exactly. So this is a big one right here that's showing up. And you see how price is kind of just pausing right here, where it's not really going down. And you're seeing the volume kind of pick up as well.
Yeah, man, I'm seeing it with my own eyes right here live on stream.
When it's done, though, I got you.
You heard it here first, chat, from Yush's words to my ears and to my community here live on PFM. He said it. When it's done, he's got us. It's always us, fam. It's always us, right? There's a hug, fam.
Oh, you can show it off. We can yeah.
So
I think it's actually very good, like, information. And again, I never say trade off one thing. You need some sort of confirmation, and that it goes really hand if you want to trade order flow with those as well.
I'm with you, bro. I'm with you 100%, man. I said it here earlier with Austin was on. I said, man, you know, I've already made good money this year from trading, but if I can double, triple that, adding some more confluences like your Gex levels you were talking about, like order flow. I mean, who would I be to have an ego to say, no, I don't want to make more money, you know?
Yeah. I mean, you're crushing it, man. It's time to take it to the next level.
Yeah, man, there's levels to this thing, and I'm just trying to get to that next one. You know what I mean?
Yeah, how did you do today? You asked me.
I did great, man. So these are my accounts here on Futures Elite. So 1,505, 1,540, 1,505, and then this one's at 1,000. And I traded all of those individually. I didn't copy trade them.
Let's go.
So that means I made like 5K.
Yeah.
And then I secured a $2,000 payout on Top Step. So that's great. That's going to cover all of the expenses. I spent $2,100 on evals, and then I screenshotted it and put it on X. I don't know if you saw me. I put an X post up and I said, no one will show you this, but I will, because I need to be honest and I need to hold myself accountable. I tilted and I've been spending more money than I would want on evals. And so I'm putting this out there so that you guys can hold me accountable. I can hold myself accountable. And it would, you know, just make me slow down. So yeah, man, thankfully we came into today, man, and absolutely crushed it live on stream. I had the founder of Top One Futures on the live stream today. So we did 5 giveaways in the chat. And we traded together, dude. He's actually a trader. So he was putting on ES trades while I was putting on NQ trades. It was pretty fun.
Yeah, dude. I thought, like, similar to you, like when I started streaming and like trading like live, I was like it was like scary in the beginning. And I'm sure you can kind of relate when you start streaming. It's hard, guys. Like, you guys watching this, like, actually putting on risk in your funded accounts, or your, like, I do a personal account too, and just everyone is watching. It's kind of a scary thought, but now for me, I've gotten used to it. it's actually fun.
I feel weird if I'm not on a stream when I'm trading. Like, I feel like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
You know, like at this point, I'm like, I've got to be, I got to be streaming, man. You know, and these 800s, potentially good longs here, bro.
Yeah, so it's really stalling at this level, like I'm telling you, right? Like, it's also a call resistance here where you're seeing a lot of activity on ES as well. So this is what I mean. This is the confluence. You're seeing a lot of the big. Where are the big trades coming in, bro? They're coming in.
I don't know, but I'm taking a quick long into that right there for $200 Roonies. Doing a tight stop here. Let's see if we bounce off here. Unless it wants to go touch. I mean, we do have a big order.
You need to bring out the skin again, bro.
I know, 29. Yeah, dude, 29,795. There was some big orders that transacted there earlier at this exact area. So let's see. I would love to see us get back above the 800s into 810s areas. Do like a little bit of a retest here. That would be absolutely great.
They just set this range in CPI today, man. It's crazy. They set the whole range on CPI.
And the fact, I'm gonna have to move this a little bit lower. And the fact that they haven't taken the CPI high yet is actually mental, man.
It's not even just CPI high, right? It's also your overnight high. And that stat that I told you, only 5 years of data, right?
Yeah,
over 250 days.
6%
per year. Yeah, 6%, dude. It's crazy. Let's
see if we can get back above this area. I need us to back above those 795s here. ES is kind of holding this area. Yeah, we're gonna get tagged out of there. That sucks. I think we're gonna bounce here. VWAP is here. I think we just got another. I think I just got taken out here, sadly, at 310. I still like long. I don't think we're gonna lose VWAP here.
I'm gonna play around with the data. So like now that we have like a really small like scope, right? Like 6% with 5 years of data. What we can do is get those days and then see what happened, right? Like, what was it? Did we take out overnight high or low on those days? And how do we react near the value area highs and lows? I'm gonna mess around with. That's a side project after the stream.
I like it. I'm trying it one more time off the 780s here. Or actually, I got in at the same spot, but the idea is there was a massive order that came in on the books at the 780s.
There's crazy activity happening here, but
I think we could see a pop here back up.
This is what I was telling you though, right? Like it looks good, but it's like middle of the range, and it's just tough. Like it'll like stop you out, and then just like
for sure. I think for me, until we break below VWAP, I'm gonna just try to long it from here because, like you said, bro, that 6% stat. Are we really gonna hold a 6% stat? There's no way, bro. It would be actually mental if they hold that 6% stat here.
Or they can just send it after hours, bro. I swear to God.
Well, Asia's just been so clean lately, bro. That's the crappy part about it. Yeah, it's been so clean lately. Look at that. They're putting in. Look at the delta, bro. So we got buyers coming in here, but the delta's negative.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I secured a payout too. Lucid.
Where you at, Lucid? Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Those pro accounts are good.
I know. I need to get on the pro accounts, bro. Like I told you, I was gonna get them. And I didn't because I wasn't sure if the daily loss limits were not there or not. So I never did it.
No, I think they removed it until end of next week.
Yeah. So yeah, now that you told me that, I'm like, all right, I gotta get with the program. Not seeing any follow through here above the 800 so far. This might want to go test. Let's see. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go break even on this. See if we get tagged here.
Holding that
up about 470. Yeah, it's holding this.
You see where all those big trades are? 282. What I would do is move your order a little higher and then trail it in case it rejects. Right? See if you can.
Yeah.
Once it.
I want to see if we can get a push here. I'm gonna put it right now here for 200.
See if it pushes here, and then if it rejects there, then you trail it up. Let's see if it gets there though. I think there's a good chance.
I think there's a good chance we see some rejection at these 820s, but I do like that we held the 800s. All right.
Come on. Okay, so he's gonna push. It's pushing into those big trades here. You trailed it up even already.
No, I'm still holding.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm keeping it like right here for now, securing 200 no matter what.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good. So you take some money away from the market there.
Yeah, I don't lose it.
Because I think here we go. I think you'll get that little sweep up, and then
here we go. I'll take it off 650 there. We get it.
Damn, my boy is securing that money, huh?
700. Can we get 700? 720?
It's gonna push. Oh, come on. You're chilling
720, 700.
Too hard.
I know, bro, because of that big seller there, bro. That big seller there, bro.
Give it breathing room. Trust me. There you go.
All right, I got to now.
Bro, come on. Come
on, bro. We're so close to it, bro. That's 840, bro. I need 260 now to get to 50%, baby.
Oh my god, you chilled it too hard, bro. You should have.
Bro, I know.
You're right underneath. This might go higher. I'm being dead serious. Right?
I mean, bro, we have a 6. We can't do a 6% chance, bro. We have to trade higher.
I told you.
I'll tell you why I got out though, bro. I don't like that this candle doesn't have a lower wick.
No, bro.
That was the only reason why I got out there.
It doesn't matter.
It matters to me, bro. We can easily come back, put that wick in.
You had the size. Look, you had 282 lots there to protect you. This is. Oh my god, dude.
Yo, look, you got people in the chat saying professionals at play.
Look, when you see actual orders hitting the market, that always takes precedence over candlestick pattern. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Okay. Because you have actual market players that are trapped, essentially, that could be trapped, right? So that could just create more momentum to the upside. Like that does it have to come back right away?
No, it doesn't have to, but right? I think we will. But I would have got full TP. There we go. So we filled it. Okay. That's why I wanted to get out, just because on the 200-second chart, man, I'm on a 200-second chart. It's very rare that we leave a gap unless we're going to fill it. It doesn't have to be filled right now. We could have easily traded back up to 842 and then filled it, So, but in case that happened, I wanted to secure it. Again, if I was in, and if I would have got in here, I mean, what was my entry?
Look at that reaction on 800, bro. See Gamma, bro. I'm telling you.
It's that Gamma, baby. It's that Gamma, baby.
You saw?
It's that Gamma, baby.
Yeah, I'll be honest, bro. As a friend, you gotta modify. Those big trades. You can't even see it.
What do you mean? You can't see what?
The big trades. It's the colors. You gotta modify. I can't even see the numbers, bro.
Where are the big trades, bro? 282. That's a big seller. These are 50s. 50s, okay. 53, 52, 66. That's not big.
All right, but I'm looking on the screen. Maybe the viewers can kind of see. I'm like, I can't see what number that is.
Which one? Right here?
No, the other one. The other one. The other color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But could you see it in the purple? If I go dark, let's see. Let's see if I add the. Oh, let me add it real quick. Let me know if you could see it. Bro, I had a battle off.
Yeah, I can see this.
You could see that 62. You can't see those two levels, bro. There's no way you see that.
I don't see those. I see the purple. I meant. Sorry.
Oh
Look
yeah, the purple for sure, dude. The purple
Look at
for
this
sure.
going.
But I did have, yeah. Now that we cleaned up that area, I think we can run it up, man. I think we see 849 here.
Yeah. So
I think we're moving, baby. I think we're moving.
So now a gamma level has moved down to 840 now, right? What you were saying.
The 840 area, yeah.
Yeah, and then the one above is at 880, like I mentioned. So those are the levels to kind of watch into.
And those levels are moving all the time, or what, dude?
Yeah, they're moving. It's based on option volume, right? Strike volume, how it's changing real time. It's so I have like a WebSocket. I'm about to get freaking nerdy on you, bro. So WebSocket, it like real time. It just streams real-time data, and the software updates real time, and just so the bars get updated, the car resistance, put resistance get updated real time. Sorry, I got a little nerdy, bro. Sorry.
Oh man, you said it. You talked my
excites
language.
me.
I know exactly what you're talking about. I know everything about that. I actually programmed my own stuff before, and it was yeah. We're on the same page. The dark was better. Told you. But guys, we did by the way, I'm long again here off this 816 level here. I'm looking for a push onto the 840s here. We'll see.
Didn't I come in chat? I was like, yo, this is ass, bro. Go back to the dark.
Yo, bro, listen.
I had to tell him. As his brother, I have to be honest with him, and he's not listening to me. See, he's doing big brother shit right now. He just wilding out.
Yo, we got a big order on 813.
I know. 813.
Yeah, there was a big order at 813.
It's defending that right now.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. They're fighting it.
You going long off that?
I'm seeing it. Yeah, I'm long off of it. Seeing me get a push into the 840s here. Yeah, I don't like. Here's the thing, man. We got through this guy here. This is a pretty hard one to get through, in my opinion.
You can even make that. You can even tighten your stop there, to be honest, right?
Yeah, I probably don't need. Yeah, I probably don't need us below these two little guys here.
Yeah.
Like I probably do not need us. Again, remember, I'm up 1237, guys. So I need 200 and wait, I don't even need this much. That would be way more. I need 270. My stop is too tight. It's all right.
Oh shit.
It's all right.
More big orders there, right? How many?
Yeah, sellers. 200. Yeah, 191 came in.
Look at the delta building up there now, right? So let me see what's going on with
let's see. Yeah, we got orders at 812, 813.
It still looks good. Let's see.
It does look good for longs, and we're not going lower off. Look at all that delta building. We're not going lower.
Yeah, it's not going down, right? I want to see where this closes though. Let's see.
I'm gonna try one more again here.
Okay.
Gonna go for that 848 now. Stop loss gonna go below those big ones.
There's more trades coming in on ES as well. 460 lots.
Yeah, I see them. They're trying to send this thing lower with those contracts, but it's not moving.
It's not.
Let's see, chat. These 810s, 813s, 815s, they're getting defended right now, but how long will they be defended for? Is the question. We have a big order that popped up on the book at 833 as well.
So there was a huge, there were some huge orders in the morning on ES around 94, and that's where it's kind of struggling. If that can also reclaim, oh man, this is gonna. I think that's when it kind of gets sent in the last few minutes or 20 minutes.
Yeah, so I need 380 to basically hit 50% on this eval. Let's see, 812. So look, this is what I was looking at. You see those big green orders there?
Mm-hmm.
So they're sitting there on the book. Let's see what they do.
Oh, that deep down.
Yeah, I'm trying not to deep dump, seeing if I like it. you know, seeing if I can get into a trade with some direction. But I like this. I like all these sellers coming in here, and we're kind of, this is a pivotal area here. We can hold this, bro. I think we could see a pop. Looks like they held it so far on the deep dom.
It's so slow. Oh my god, dude.
It is kind of slow. The deep dom. Yep, there we go. Deep dom held it. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get a push here. We're gonna get above these 20s now. Through the 20s here. Can we get it? Can we get a push to the 20s here? Or is old Calla gonna send this thing back down? Because you know he loves to short the 20s.
I think this is gonna
Here's
go higher,
the pop,
bro.
baby. Here's the pop.
You're seeing them
Here's
descend,
the pop.
right?
Yeah.
Not
look,
once, twice, right?
Look, we came down to
Beautiful.
that order. Look, came
Beautiful.
down into that 8-12 order and completely got sent back up. Let's see if they can actually continue this push here.
I think if you can,
I can tighten my stop now to like 8-12s probably, because we probably should not revisit that if we're going to go higher.
See, the problem here is it's still really choppy, right? That's the problem I have with that.
Yeah,
because it can easily kind of come back and do it one more time. It's not really broken.
All right, bro, I'll put it back down there.
No. I'm just telling you, right? For what, like, once
you,
this breaks over, like, if you're looking for a bigger move, once it
I totally
cracks
hear you, bro. I
840,
totally hear you 100%. I mean, we're kind of like we say, we're diddly-daddling in the middle of the range.
What do you need on this trade? What's your TP that you need?
I need 838.
Okay, I think you
Oh, wait,
here.
look at the positive delta coming
Let's
in here.
go.
We're gonna take it. We're gonna take it, baby. We're gonna tuck it, baby. Let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go, my
Break
boy.
even.
Let's go.
Boom.
Let's
Break
go.
even.
Let's
Let's
go.
go,
Let's
baby.
go.
Let's go. Can we get that last tag there? Can we get that last tag there? 29,383, chat. We're almost there. Just a little bit more.
Let's go. You need skin, Alex. Bring out the skin.
I got a little bit of skin right here, bro. Look, right there, guys. A little bit of skin right there. Come on, Market.
It's going.
Come on,
It's
Market.
going, dude.
Come
It's
on,
going.
Market. Is it not enough for you? Come on, Market. I will do a Superman, bro. I'll Superman this thing. Here we go, chat. 383. Well, don't tell me what the high is. Let's see what the high is. 387, chat. 1.25 points away from TP.
You're getting. Oh man.
I'm gonna Superman this thing, bro. Come on, chat.
Your
Everybody
TP is-
in the chat. Let's put together our hands like this, chat.
Your
Put
TP is
your
right
hands
where the
together
call
like this,
resistance
chat.
is. It's crazy. That's
I
why
know,
it's
it's
kind
right
of
next to that big boy. That big boy. Put your hands together, chat. Everybody come together with me with your hands like this.
Oh my god.
Like this, chat. Put your hands like this. And let's all talk sweet things to this market. Listen, market. I'll clean my laundry. I'll be very nice to the mail person. What do I got to do here? Come on.
You need the option dealers and market makers to help you out here, bro. they're rejecting it at near the call resistance.
You know what we need, bro? We need a new song. I just realized it. We're not playing the right music for this.
But
right?
Alex,
we need
look,
this
right?
song.
We were looking at 800s, right? Whenever we played 800s, what
That
did
should
we
have been
want
the
to
long.
see?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. If you held that, right, and then you trailed it just a little bit underneath all those big trades.
Yeah, I would have already hit 1,500. Chat, we're going for it. I'm telling you right now, we're going for it. There's no way we fail this. This is not a lower high. It's lying to us, chat. It's not a lower high. Don't look at that. It's not a lower high. It's going to be a new high in a second. That's what it's going to be. Look at ES, dude. ES is pushing us up. Let's go, ES. Come on. Bro, ES is literally pushing us, bro.
Ooh, this is a good song. You
Like it,
created
right?
this.
Don't worry, we got people.
Oh my god, dude! I've been asking
I'll
for
head you
you for
up.
the
I'll hook
playlist,
you
bro.
up.
Hook me up with the
I'll
playlist.
hook you up with the guy. Oh, the playlist is in Discord now, dude.
Oh, okay. I gotta grab that, bro. It's
Yeah,
actually
it's
fire.
it's in the
All right, come
music
on.
tab.
Here we go.
Chat, put your hands together, chat. We need it one more time. Everybody together. Everybody together, chat. So much delta. Take us higher, please.
Oh, they're legit right where that's where the call resistance.
Bro, man, don't talk to me like
Dude.
that, bro.
I'm dead. Those it's the market. No.
Bro, I'm about to just take it, bro.
Be patient. Be patient.
All right, patience pays. Patience pays, chat. Patience pays, chat. Don't do what I'm doing. Patience pays. Like that? Grandma's riding in a brand new sedan.
You still got a lot of time, all right? You still got a lot of time.
Bro, look at the delta up here. We can't get through it, man. I'm gonna throw up.
It's not random though, bro. It's not random. It's
You sound like ICT right now. Man.
I am
It's not random, bro. It's not random, bro. The algorithms, bro.
It's the algos, bro. It's those market makers.
You can't make it up though, bro. I was 1 point away from TP. They want to come after me, chat. All right, I think we're gonna get bought up here. This is 50% of a pullback here.
Come on, come on,
come on, baby, back up.
Just give him the TP, bro. Did it come like 1 point from your trailing?
Yes, bro. 1 point.
This is legit.
837. 837. Look, 837. No, dude, half a point, bro. Half a point. Not even a point.
Yo,
half a
this
point.
is legit teasing you, bro. This is like a tease in this.
Man, this thing thinks I'm single or something, bro. I'm not single, bro. Just take my TP already. Call resistance. Let's go. Laugh my ass off. Don't worry, chat. I believe in this to go higher, chat. I believe in it. I believe in it. I believe in it in so much that we're gonna move our stop below the big sellers here.
Alex is feeling it right now. He's like so confident.
We're taking it, chat. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this TP, chat. We're gonna get this TP so much that I'm gonna add into this, chat. We have 2 contracts now. We only need $380. Wait, no, we don't. We need 380. That's 250.
Boy's really trying to pass this, huh? Was this a pass or you just need 50%?
No, this is just 50%.
Got you.
All right, we're gonna go for a 1-for-1 here, chat. I think we're gonna take the high.
I've never anyone.
Let's do
I've
the
never,
math, dude. I need 380, right? Because I have,
Okay.
yeah, 3, 4, yeah, 380. I need 380. 380, chat. Can't lose these 20s. We cannot lose these 20s, chat. We're adding into this, chat. A lot of delta coming into this. Scary Freddy, Scary Fairy.
Bro, it feels like I'm in this trade with you, bro.
Don't worry, bro. We're gonna make this 380 here. Don't worry. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. Defend this, chat.
This needs to hold, bro.
I know, bro. If we lose these 812s or retest.
Look at it. How it's defended, bro.
Look at that level, bro. All those orders are still being defended there.
How much is that? Like just level 2 data, right? So it tells you like how much you're sitting there.
Yeah, it's just a level 2 data on the DOM. Let's see, bro. 812, super important level. We lose 812, man. We might be cooked. All right, I'm gonna move my stop below the low there. All right, we lost 812. No good, chat. No good. Nothing good ever came from losing 812.
Wait, they're testing below.
Yeah, they're bringing it back in. Hold on, wait a second. They can regain these 812s. Oh, nope, they're getting smacked down here. All right, chat, those 19 orders, not a lot of orders, but 19 orders got taken off the book there. Yeah, this is done. 812, we lost 812, chat. All right, chat, we gave back all the profits. We were 1 tick away from halfway, and now we're only $110, bro. I want to cry. Who told me to put my order exactly in that big order there, bro?
It wasn't me, shit, bro.
It wasn't you. It was obviously me.
Bro, what?
Wow, chat. Chat, I'm going long here, chat. We hold this VWAP. We can really start to make a move back. We lose this VWAP. We're cooked, chat. Man, serious selling pressure coming in. Look at ES. If ES loses that, bro, this is cooked. If ES loses this, chat, we're cooked. Come on, hold that lunchbox 50. Send us back up. From a perspective of like, from a candle perspective, it just looks ugly. Like, bro, they're going to really do a 6% chance day? They're going to do a 6% chance day?
Likely, yeah.
Crazy, bro. The percentages that the data traders have been getting wrecked. Literally wrecked lately. If they do that.
What is that black line you got there?
That's New York VWAP or overnight set. Let me see. New York or overnight set. Let me check. Yeah, New York VWAP.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I went long. Potential bounce off New York VWAP and this lunchbox 50. But we'll see. This is looking heavy. ES is starting to really sell off. I can't be short. I hate to say it. I can't be short because as long as we're holding inside of 50, this buying area on the initial balance here, I just can't be short, man. The data doesn't suggest shorts, chat. From an IB perspective, it suggests that we should continue higher. But we could easily come back and retest value area low, right? Oh, look, they're buying it up, bro. Can we get a push? If we don't get this push here, bro, we could actually be cooked.
I can't believe you did that shit, bro. Oh my god.
I know it sucks, but here's what it is, man. Sometimes you got to risk it for the biscuit, bro. I got tilted off that 1 point or 1.5. What was it? Half a point.
I know, man.
It's an eval, so it is what it is.
This guy's like, but usually I trusted you. Bro, it was not my fault. It came that close.
But Yush, I trusted you. Don't worry, we're going to bounce here, bro. I'm going to hit TP here. Don't worry. Don't worry, fam. We're going to hit TP here. We lose VWAP. We're absolutely screwed. Like, actually screwed. $780s are holding too.
Damn, bro. I felt like I was in that trade. That one hurt. That one hurt me, bro. I feel like tilting.
Bro, do you know how many times it retested that by like half a point?
It's just
Insane.
this market, especially.
Yeah, man. PM session has not been the easiest, you know.
Yeah. It's just tough.
I'm about to do an Ike CT in here, bro, and just start taking every 4 points of profit and getting out. 4 points of profit and getting out. Like, I'm gonna have to start doing that with this market condition, bro. Like, I think we could recover this. I just don't know we're gonna get back above these 815s. Like, look at all this selling pressure in Delta there.
You need above 800. Remember that call wall that I kept telling you? It's still there.
It's gonna happen though. Go on, break even, bro.
You need over 800 here, and then.
Come on, give me that 1,000. I'll take 1,000 here, and then we'll work our way back, chat.
You need 1.5, right?
Yeah, 1.5. Come on, man. Push it into that gap. Push us into that gap-a-rooney. Bro, that 800 is hard, man. It's a hard level right now.
You can never count Alex out, bro. Alex is, he fights back.
Oh, I'm a fighter. Damn, we do have a lot of orders. We still have orders at the 812, 794, 780 has a ton of orders too. And then on the sell side, we've got 836, man, 840 area.
Here we go. 800 here. I need this. I want this to hold for you right here.
We're up right now, 455, chat. 530, 700. Let's go. It's gonna be hard, bro. We got a balanced price range here, which is basically like, isn't this a low volume node kind of?
Where?
In here.
Bro, you're zooming in. You're zooming in, dude. It's just middle of the whole range.
No, but look right here, bro. Less volume here than there was here and here.
But it's not.
It's not significant.
It's not significant. Yeah.
Come on, brother. What are we at here? 803, 806. 3 points from TP this
Dude,
time.
remember I was telling you yesterday? I was in an ES trade for 3 hours. I was just holding it, and then it finally went. Remember the sell-off?
3 horas. Yeah.
It just
Absolutely disgusting market here. 3 points away from $1,000, chat. Half a point away from $1,500, and the market continues to just tell me, Alex, you've made too much money today. We're going to have to chill you out here and not allow you to continue to make money.
You know, whatever happens, Alex, think about this. You got 4 done, right? You got 4
done.
So
4 done, baby. 4 done.
doesn't
But
matter.
Yo, we're going to get the 5th one done. I'm not kidding.
No.
It'll
I'm
happen,
just saying.
dude.
Worst
It's
case,
gonna happen.
you got 4 done. Okay, doesn't matter. That's the you still go out on top.
All right, we're break even there, chat. What break even there, chat? Bro, why do I still like the long, bro? Am I crazy? Watch it go now, bro.
I'm watching it for you.
Alex wakes up, coffee in his hand, charts all loaded, got a master plan. Patient with the entries, never chasing moves. NQ starts running. Alex stays.
I would long this again, bro, but I feel like my entry should have been like this area here where I was. Yeah, that sucks. It's gonna go to my TP. Chat, what is this market, chat? Going to my TP without me, chat. Kind of BS is that, chat? All right, I'm gonna go run to get water, bro, and then we're gonna make this $1,500. How about that? How about that, bro?
All right, bro.
Hold it down for me, Yush.
Got you.
Hold her down, baby. Hold her down. I'll be right back.
Still struggling at those 800s. How did everyone else do in the chat today? Trading wise, obviously. You're still underground giveaway. They don't give me the keys for that, dude. They don't give me the keys to giveaways because they know I'll give away like 200 accounts. So they hide the keys to the giveaways. I'm sorry. Do you know Deep Chart's doing a Mac version? Yes, they are doing a Mac version. I think it's a month or 2 away from what I know. How was your day? My day was pretty good. Can't complain. Dude, they keep the keys so far away from me. I can't find them. Okay? We gotta manipulate Alex to give me the keys. You guys gotta help me. All right? He's not listening to this. Obviously, he won't be able to go back and watch the stream. We'll make sure of that. You guys gotta help me tomorrow. Get the keys away from him. And I got you guys. 100 accounts. Okay? 100 accounts to you guys. I got you.
Yo, what am I hearing about 100 accounts?
Oh, no, nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Chat,
We're
who's gonna be honest, chat? Tell me what was
Nothing
said
happened.
here.
Nothing happened, all right?
What was said here?
Nothing.
You know that you and I have 3 accounts to give away, by the way.
That's it?
Yeah, we've got 1 TPT, we got 1 TPT, we got 1 Tradeify, and we've got 1 Lucid.
That's it. No, someone's gonna. You should have not said that. Now we're gonna get what happened last time. Time's up. Even when you're trying to make
time's up, baby. All right, chat. We're gonna do a poll here. We're gonna do a poll here. The poll is going to be. By the way, I want you to see this. This poll here. All right, chat, go vote on this poll. Alex wants us to see his poll. Not at all. I don't want to see you to see my poll.
What?
I don't know, dude.
How can they vote? They just type in chat, right? Okay.
All right, people have faith in me. They think that I can make $1,500.
You can do it, dude. You need MOC.
All right, let's talk about this. Do you think MOC is going to send us to the highs to 922?
That's
Or do you think they close it on a 6% day?
What is ES? Because ES is similar. What's ES's high? Let me see. One sec. ES is 1375, which is not too
All right, this is what we're going to
away.
do. This is what we're going to do, guys. We are going to, I'm not going to say gamble because I would never do that. But we are going to start buying micro contracts here. Just listen up. Listen up, chat. I've got the ideas. Trust. MLC takes us to the highs. Yeah, we need 1,500, right? What, bro? What's so funny, bro?
I feel like I should have not brought that stat to you, bro. It got you so bullish when I brought that stat to you.
I've been bullish the whole time, bro.
What are we doing, Alex? What are we doing here?
Bro, trust me, bro. This is gonna hit. I don't think you understand. Chat, are you with me, chat? Is this gonna hit? Here's a trade, chat. Going into MLC, here is the trade.
I'm so scared, bro. I've never seen anything like this. It's scaring me, dude.
Bro, trust me. We're gonna do it, bro. It's
Dude,
gonna hit.
you gotta clip my reaction when you're averaging up on the freaking other chart. Like, what the heck is going on?
Bro, tell me this is not a good RR though. It's great. Trust, bro. Trust in the strategy.
So it's either this account is blown or you got it. Is this
I could come back from $300 of drawdown. Just trust in the vibes, dude.
Dude, I trust. It's not you I don't trust. I don't trust in Q in summer.
That's true. I don't trust it either, bro. Well, we're just gonna have to make it work, I guess. How do I? Okay, here we go. Line color. Oh, show settings.
If this
right,
hits,
so-
I get the keys, right? Just
I
say
know what
yes.
you're talking about, bruh.
Do I get the keys? Do
You want the keys to my Beamer? Who am I?
Doesn't matter. It's just a yes or no.
Keys to
So
my
chat,
Beamer.
do
Who
get
am
the
I?
keys? If I
Chat,
hit
what is this
hits-
man talking about, chat? Yo, it's working already, dude. Look at that trade. We're already up $149.
Oily RR.
Yeah, trust the process, Yush.
I trust Alex. I don't trust NQ though. It's going though. Hey, it's going.
Could you
I
please
guess I
share
gotta
the
trust
deep
it.
chart template? People are asking.
What's up?
People want the deep chart templates, bro.
All right, we'll get it. We'll get it.
Guys, we'll give you guys. We'll do we'll put it up somewhere and we'll give it away like during like a 5-minute session or something where you have 5 minutes to grab the template. But it has to be the light theme. Yo, bro, look at this. I'm telling you, process is processing now. Process is processing now. Process is processing now. I can't stop laughing because Yush is laughing.
Dude, this shit is crazy to me.
Bro, this is the best trade you've ever seen, bro. It's working out. They were up 185, man.
This goes against everything I say about how to trade a prop. No,
Yo, educational purposes only, bro. And look at this. The RR is getting better. Look at that, dude. Dude, that's a 1.04 RR.
no, I like it. It's just, when is that? How much time do we have before MOC? 5 minutes? So, you know, it looks good, but MOC is unpredictable.
It's gonna hit, bro. Have you ever done yoga before?
No.
I'm gonna need you to put out that positive energy here into the universe.
You know what? How about this? If this shit hits, me and you will do a live yoga session. You teach me. You teach me how to yoga. We'll film this shit. It'll be funny. It'll be funny.
Bro, Matt, I mean, I'm telling you right now, dude, this is gonna hit.
That's what we gotta do.
Look at this. I want you to understand this, bro. The way that I see this right now is outside of Gex levels and all that good stuff. I'm seeing liquidity, engineered liquidity up here, right? Obviously sellers here, so there's liquidity for sure there. I'm seeing what ICT calls low resting liquidity. Whoops, that's not the right one. I'm seeing what ICT. I'm seeing what he calls low resting liquidity right here, or other people would call this a Tory trend line, right? I'm seeing a Tory trend line, chat, and I think we're going to break it's got a 4-point touch point, okay? Whatever that means. And
what strategy? We got like 4 different strategies in here to validate this trade. It's gotta go. It's gotta go.
damn, someone says Alex just got initiated to the Wasso gang. Dude, this is literally like, this is like a Zarb train, right? Except for I've got 6 micros instead of 2. Yeah, so dude, Zarb is cooking, bro, but he trades like this. It's very wide. He thinks he tells you that he knows what you have to figure out what the draw on liquidity is first. I'm gonna go with the 94% stat that we're gonna touch that 922. How can I not trade a 94% stat, bro?
Why isn't it anytime anyone draws a trend line, we associate Tory trades? Whenever I draw a trend line,
she's so good at marketing.
On stream,
she got in our brain, bro.
Everyone's that's a Tory trade trend line. If people are drawing trend lines way before Tory trades, and now we just associate.
But that trend line never had 4 touch points. Chat, we are going to have a 70.57% chance that we take the high. Wait, no, never mind.
What?
It's a 93%. Yeah, we're trading a 93% chance here.
Oh man, always a fun time in these streams, bro. Even if I don't take a trade. Oh, I really want this to go. You heard it here first. We're doing live yoga on PFM.
Live yoga chat. Live yoga. What up, Drewby? Welcome to the chat.
Live yoga. This is gonna be so funny. Yo, just imagine we're doing live yoga, right? On a Friday, the markets are slow. We just have instead of a trading, we do live yoga PFM session.
It says this. People are saying this better hit. Alex, I want to see Yush in yoga pants.
I gotta go out and buy some yoga pants, I guess. What did I agree to, bro? I hope this doesn't hit anymore.
People are like, what did I just walk in on? Bro, Yush, please pass it. Bro, Yush passes the vibe check. Yeah, Yush is hilarious. He's always welcome on my stream. We have a good time. We're teaching you how to trade, chat. Take notes.
They really want you shirtless, bro. They really want you shirtless.
Yeah, but you know where I took this from? The 800 Gex level, baby.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Exactly.
Hey, who you're calling me? I'm sounding like ICT. You're sounding more and more like ICT, bro. Drawing liquidity.
Yeah, we got drawing liquidity up here, dude. All right, we're gonna break our Tory trend line here. Yo, chat. We have MOC just hit, chat. It's going the wrong way though.
That was wild. You got loud and then it just goes off.
Chat, do I add into this trade?
No.
Alex oiling the trade.
That's what it legit was. You spoke up and it just went.
Yo, listen up, dude. MLC did absolutely nothing, bro. What is happening here?
Oh.
All right, chat. Listen, we have a 93.79% chance that we should go to 926.50 before the end of the market, chat. Don't quote me, but that is what I'm seeing here from Edgeful, chat.
When do you gonna close your position?
It doesn't close, bro. It's just
What? What? It doesn't close. Don't you get liquidated if it doesn't close?
Yo, I don't know is this, bro. Look at these buyers stepping in, all right? That's all I know. And we're about to take that seller at 824 and we're about to head out.
Is there any massive liquidity pool above, like you see on that deep down?
Yeah, so 834 and 838 has a bunch of liquidity.
Like above like 900s. Do you see anything?
Yeah, so above 900s, I currently see absolutely nothing. Don't worry, bro. It's not there yet, but it's coming.
Hilarious stream ever. Did you see the last Friday stream? That one has to be the most hilarious stream. I guess this one's great too, but I feel bad for Alex, bro. He's stuck in this shit.
No, this is a great trade, bro. We're in profits, dude. Come on.
It's going. Hey. Some volume coming in now. Let's see.
I'm seeing it, bro. I'm seeing all the volume coming in here.
Dude, you need above 600. Look.
Oh,
90s.
it's going, bro. You don't understand, dude. I believe in this, man. Come on. When I get behind something, we're up 289. Oh, here's the pop, boys. Here's the pop, fam. Can we get this push? 83% of you guys, 83% of you guys said I could do it. I'm adding into this chat pretty heavy here. We're in 8. We're in 9.
You're gonna make me bring up the yoga pants. Chill.
Bro, I need 1500, bro. I need 1500, bro.
I don't want to bring out the yoga pants, dude.
Bro, you're cooked, bro. You're doing yoga, bro.
No, you're cheating, bro. You're cheating.
All right, fine. It still has to hit 922 for you to do yoga, all right?
No, I'm kidding, bro. Just pass, bro. I'm just messing with you. As long as you can get that to what you need, that's what matters.
Yo, look at all these orders coming in, though.
Yep.
Chat, who is long with me, chat? Somebody says lime green yoga pants on the way, Yush. I cannot believe I ended that trade in profit. Chat, I'm telling you, these are W. This is a W trade, chat. This is a W trade. Don't listen to anyone out there. We just broke a Tory trend line. We're heading up. We're heading up, chat. I think we have some pretty big orders on ES. Yush, it's going the wrong way, Yush. Talk to it. Talk to it nice.
I'm trying, bro. I'm trying.
You gotta get above that 938. 938s, man. They're just rough. Just rough up there at those 938s. Yeah, for some reason I can't see anything above. I wonder if there's a setting that I have to turn on to see more orders. It's getting heavy here. It's getting heavy, chat. Oh, wow. Massive buyer that got trapped at the 30s on the DOM, it looks like. I definitely got to play around with the settings on this, chat. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right here. Double top right now on the DOM here at these 840s. Starting to get heavy to the downside here, chat. Not looking too good for us. But I'm still a believer. As long as we can hold the 800s, I'm still a believer, chat.
Is there any earnings after hours?
No idea.
I can help you out there.
Chat, we got after hour earnings, chat. I'm basically in a mini right now.
Mini? Oh, yeah. You got 10, right?
So, yeah. So 15, 10. There we go. So, chat, I've added into this position here. And I stand by it. A lot of sellers coming in, but no continuation lower right now. Could be good for us.
I still cannot believe freaking 1 point away, dude. That shit was...
Half a point, Yush.
Half a point is just... It's crazy, bro.
890 for Yoga Tory tan line break. 890.
Which firm are these, Alex?
This is that I'm trading right now. I'm trading a futures elite account.
Got you.
So this is $79 that I will lose if we blow it. It's worth it for entertainment purposes only, chat. Remember that. Entertainment purposes only. We're just freaking trapped between these 780s and these 820s.
I think they had a lot of entertainment, bro, with me and you. My reactions and you.
Too much sell pressure on the heat map. We talking ES or NQ? What we talking? Bro, we got trap buyers here, 100 orders trapped at the highs and 100 orders trapped at the lows. This is a battle between the best. A battle between the rest.
840. If you can get this over 840, it could be the fuel that it needs. Because there's also a lot of activity from the morning around 840s, and it's kind of, that's where we're struggling right now.
Yeah. I'm a believer in this move higher.
Alex, as you were singing, my wife came in. She's like, "Who's that singing?"
Oh, you tell her it's the man, the myth, the legend, the teammate. Yo, you're not coming to the WAP. You're not coming to the WAP headquarters with your boy.
Told you, bro. I'm gonna be chilling and drinking some pina coladas, bro.
Bro, we need to get above this POC, bro. Can we get above this POC here?
ES is trying to break out here above 96.
All right, I need you to talk to it nice. Talk to it nice. Chat, this is the slowest MOC I've ever seen. Let's see what market on close does.
She made me a protein smoothie. That's why she came in. She's the best, you know?
She is the best. Where is that time's up guy?
he's not saying anything after that. Because we called him out so bad. That was funny though. That was so
Dude, that
funny.
guy was hilarious, bro, on the stream. He was like, "Hey man, time's up." I was like, "Oh shit, I didn't know I was on the clock, dude." Jeez.
Am I not getting the?
Yeah, we're getting
bro?
We can't. Oh, we got a big. Yeah, we're getting big sell orders coming in here. I'm not seeing any buy. Let's see. Let's hope the buyers are absorbing this.
Yeah.
I'm seeing them come in on the DOM here. Yeah, there's a lot of activity here at the 800s, bro. A lot of activity here at the 800s.
I'm just gonna keep it pinned here. We got 1 minute until close, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that 4 o'clock sends us all the way up to 922.
Hey, at least you didn't lose any. You're not down anything right now, right?
I'm down $90, dude. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah, I just pinned.
We ain't going anywhere, chat. Ooh, they're losing 800s though. Come on. So yeah, look, I'm just watching the battle here. I'm gonna just put this here. That kind of looks nice on the chart, like when I'm trading. Look at those. Look at those 26. Look at the orders coming in. Huge on the book right here.
Yeah.
I kind of like it on the side there. Chat, can you guys see that on the side there? Oh man, yeah, they're getting heavy here, chat. This is going to be a 6% day. That's crazy. That's crazy, chat. They're going to leave it at a 6%er.
Think about that for a stat. A huge outlier, right? Huge outlier.
Yeah, but dude, they've been doing that. Like we had a 3% chance day 2 weeks ago. We had a 9% chance day 2 weeks ago. This week we had a double break day, which is a 17% chance day. Oh man, I don't have it set to. Hold on. I have regular trading hours, so we're not even seeing what is happening here. Let's see.
But Alex, I have a question for you. So now
780s are holding.
So we have like such a small day, right? Like that small percentage. What if we filtered that data that we have even more and seeing how it acted the next day for New York, and then we can see if there's any patterns there, because it's because then you could just kind of use that, see if you can get any directional bias when it's been pinned in that range, because the range is pretty big. It's just that the range got set on one candle on CPI, and then we just kind of went up.
Yeah,
and
but
down.
when's the last time that we didn't take a CPI high or low?
Oh, dude, yeah, it's been a while.
It's crazy that we didn't take a CPI high or low today.
But CPI moves have not been this, like, we haven't had a CPI move like this in a while, right?
We haven't seen a CPI move like
so that's like it's an outlier move for this year at least, because we haven't gotten big moves like that.
For sure. We're at POC right now. I have a feeling that if we lose this, we are going straight for VWAP, chat.
Tomorrow we have PPI. We have another news event tomorrow.
And it's going to be a 6% chance day at the close here, it looks like. Crazy, chat. Crazy. But I'm going to tell you this. If you're ever going to, quote unquote, gamble and eval, a 94% stat is a pretty good one to gamble it on. Yeah, I think we're going to go straight for VWAP here. Then they're going to bring it back to VWAP here. $402 chat, thank you for sticking around. We're going to do a giveaway here shortly. We're going to give away a bunch of accounts here. We got orders at 795.
Crazy, man. I still can't believe it.
Yeah, I know. Me neither. I'm flabbergasted. Yeah, orders here at the 795s, chat. Yeah, I have a feeling they're going to bring it down to 29,700 as well. I think we're going to go straight for VWAP, chat. We lose this little like ridge here at the 780s. I think we're going to VWAP. It just makes sense. They would just end the day at VWAP, right? Yeah, I think I might try to keep up this DOM here on the screen. Chat, do you guys like the DOM, chat? Somebody wrote too many bubbles. All right, chat. Well, our data did not work out today. We did not get a push into the 922s here. I'm going to blame Trump, and I'm going to blame Warsh for not saying anything at the end of the day here. We needed them to speak up. We needed them to speak up, chat. They didn't speak up. Is this 50% of this move? I bet it is. Yeah, we're right at 50% right now. And we're losing that 50%.
It's your POC too. I mean, it makes sense because that's where it kind of closed on.
Yeah, it's annoying that they close it there. Because I think they're going to run it back to. It makes sense they would run it back to VWAP here till like at 4 o'clock. You know, just kind of end it there at volume weighted average price. Yeah. Couldn't have the pump higher. Couldn't continue higher. So it kind of makes sense to me. I could just cut it here, chat, but you know what? I'm gonna let it do its thing. We'll let it do its thing, chat. All right, let's do the giveaway. You down?
Let's do it, bro.
Okay, my friend. All right,
Hey,
chat.
Alex.
Everybody look at Edgeful. Oh, everyone look at Edgeful and tell them their stat sucks.
They're gonna be like, who gave the stat? And say it was teammate Alex, okay? Teammate Alex is the one.
Nah, I'm a
who
huge.
got the stat.
I'm a
Oh,
huge.
Oh, interesting.
Oh wait, a big buyer up there at my entry here, chat. Could they have heard me? Could the market makers have heard me, chat?
Yeah, Alex, we can do something cool after if you're down after this giveaway.
Like on stream?
Yeah. Like
Ooh,
breakout,
that's my
breaking news. There's new plans that are out from a prop firm that has partnered.
All right, let's do it, guys. I can cut this for $300. Chat, what do we think? Cut it for $300. We cut it for 300. Chat, this thing made a move straight to my entry. What kind of BS is that, chat? Imagine making a move right to my entry and then selling off. People said yes. People are saying hold it, cut it.
This is pretty sick, bro. Holy shit, these plans are not bad. I'm looking at the rules.
Hodl. Damn, glad my TP was at 29,830. Have a yellow line there. It is an institutional, very strong level of resistance. Well, you know what, Sempa? Why didn't you tell me about that level earlier? Diamond hands, sure, but it's still on for Yoga Friday. W Alex for your focus. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Train says cut it. All right, this is what we're gonna do, chat. Since you guys have been with us this whole time, the poll will be what decides our fate here in this trade.
Yoga Friday? They want to know if they're getting yoga, bro.
Dude, they want it, dude.
That's crazy. I mean, we can't do this Friday. I won't be home, unfortunately.
All right, chat, we're creating this poll. I need to see what we think here. What are we thinking, chat? 1's in the chat if yes. 2 in the chat if no. Hold it. All right, we got Michael putting a 1 here. Brandon puts a 1. Fly High put a 1. We've got a couple 2s coming in here. Let's see what's going to happen here, chat. You guys decide the fate of this trade. This account is going to be called Chat's account. How about that? Chat's account. I'm going to mark it, chat. If we get a payout on Chat's account, we give it all to Chat.
Let's go.
Johnny 5 doesn't do anything. So just so you know there, buddy. The Bizarro Trader said 6-7.
I don't think spamming does anything too, so don't even spam.
Yeah, just put your number 1s, chat. Put your number 1s. Ed says, take the money and run. I have no money. I'm down 452, bro.
Bro, why is everyone asking me if I have yoga pants, bro? I don't have yoga pants. I gotta get some if we're gonna do it.
ICT Forever says, Daddy is here. Cut this shit, please. Mark it off, and you're seeking a high. What does that tell you?
Dude, Alex, I have the idea, right? If we do this yoga shit, me, you, Ike, and TG. It would go crazy.
In yoga pants, dude? I like it. Somebody says I saw an 11K. 11K in what? Let me see something real quick. What did you say? I saw 11K seller volume in deep chart on NQ or on ES. Tell me. Yush is scared of yoga. I don't think he is. I think he's ready. I think he's going to go. I think him and his wife are going to go to Lululemon after this show.
Dude, I'm actually so down. We would get so many clips out of it, bro. That would go viral.
No, but it has to be because I won the battle.
No, we're unfortunately.
It needs this. I need this to hit because it would be so funny if it was like, "Yo, Alex hit the trade. Yush has to now join him for yoga in very tight yoga pants." You go to the gym today yet, or what?
Yeah.
Damn, dude, look at you living the good life, dude.
Yeah, bro.
People are saying I agree.
Life,
Yush is low key forward. Yush is low key looking forward to yoga pants.
Dude,
yoga is scared of Yush.
Literally living the life. Trade the first 2 hours, do whatever, go to the gym, come back, just do whatever you want. Today I'm going to
man,
with you.
so what you're saying is that you're not trading the afternoon session every day like me? Man, you're missing out, bro.
No, bro. Dude, especially in the summer, no thank you, bro. No thank you.
Why? You don't want to do what no man should ever do?
Yeah, now I have to look at a yoga practice. I got to be ready for the next time we do. You hit a trade, we do this.
I think I'm going to start doing these kind of trades, bro, at MOC because they're just fun. These giant wide stop loss gang trades.
How about we do this? We have a little fun, right? We do a little challenge. MOC, like the Power Hour challenge. We'll just do it with a sim account, not a prop account if you don't want to, and then we'll start at 0. And we'll see who can make the most in the last hour. Like a fun little challenge. Not
Let's
anything
do it, bro.
serious.
I'm down.
We'll put
That's
both our
me.
P&Ls up there. Hopefully PFM has that, and we'll just have like a little, back and forth.
I like it, dude. I like it.
What do you guys think, chat? It'll be fun. Me and Alex going head to head. I'm gonna be
Going head to head, baby.
Yes.
Head to head. I still think we're gonna go touch 49s at some point. We've got a nice devil's mark there, chat, but probably not gonna happen until Asia. I feel like I think Asia's gonna send it for the highs. What do you think? I feel like they will.
Bro, I'll be honest, I haven't really
traded Asia in a while.
Yeah. I looked at it that one day when I last came on because I wanted to see the reaction there. And it was a good spot. What was it? Was it 900s? Bro, that's crazy. It's 900s. Yeah. Look at 900s today. Look at the high of day.
I know, dude. We're high of days at 922 area. Really, really wild. All right, chat. Let's do this giveaway here live on the stream. Let's give away 3 accounts, man. I think I have 3 accounts to give away. Guys, how many accounts have we given away today so far? Who knows the answer? Who knows El answer?
You guys got TPT now, too. Nice.
Yeah, we do got TPT now. It's going to be fire. Fire. We gave away 2 accounts. Did I give away 2 accounts? Let me check. I gave away TPT to D-Bad Deep. TPT to Deba Deep. Deba Deep. Chat, we gave away 1 account. We're going to give away 3 accounts right now, live on stream, chat. 3 accounts, live on stream. 3. All right, let's do it, chat. Let's do it. All right, so fam, the giveaway code that is getting created right now, you're going to have 3 minutes to join this. To win 3 accounts, you're going to have 3 minutes to join. But the code is Yoga Pants. Yoga Pants, chat.
It's only
in
right.
3, 2, 1. It's live. Head over to PFM right now and get your yoga pants in there. Get your yoga pants in there, chat. Yo, good day in general, man.
It was like today you had to be like really patient, man. It was tough, like in terms of momentum, directional momentum.
Yeah, it's definitely tough. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, somebody, bro, look at my VIP chat.
What's up?
If this hits live, yoga session with teammate Alex and Yush. with yoga pants. Also, we had somebody that named Ben here cooking. Ben cooked it with the lunchbox indicator, was able to pass their account and become funded, man, and already take another trade for $231. Big W's to my boy Ben C, showing you what Teammate can do when you use lunchbox properly. Trust me, chat, lunchbox is so sexy. Asia has been very choppy lately. I mean, are we looking at the same Asia? All right, Yush, I think it's time to do this yoga pant giveaway.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Is our names in there?
I'm gonna add it right now.
Hey, man. Hey. Oh, what accounts are
right
these?
now, bruh? We're giving away one TPT. We're gonna give away one TPT, one Lucid, and one Tradeify, I'm pretty sure. Chat, you guys know the code. It's Yoga Pants, man. You guys know the code. Yoga Pants.
Yoga Pants.
Come on, chat. You're not paying attention to the stream, and you guys got exactly.
Oh, man. I just hope we get better PA tomorrow.
Guys, you got 40 seconds to join this. 40 seconds. Brandon sent me something personally in Discord. Okay, Brandon.
That sounds dirty, bro. What is he sending you by idea, bro?
Bro, I gotta send this to you. Are you on your Discord?
Yeah, I have my Discord open.
Bro, where are you in my feed here?
I'm just offline, bro. I'm like like you said, I'm the Batman.
You are Batman, bro, literally. All right, let's find you real quick. Yeah, there's two of you, Yush Capital, and then there's Yush Trades. It's Yush Trades, right? Yeah.
Yeah, the other one must be a fake, bro. You got a fake in your Discord?
Probably, bro. People are always trying to scam. Bro, we got cooked, bro. We got cooked.
Yo, that's crazy.
Yo, Brandon is cracking me up, dude.
Did we put that on PFM? They're probably not gonna let us put that on PFM.
No, we can't put that on there, bro. This is for us. Personal for us.
Oh, chat, it's good. It's good. He got us. He got us. He got me. He got me, actually.
All right, let's do this, man. Let's do it, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.
So, are you when you get on the charts in the morning? Are you excited about the markets these days, or what?
Me, I get excited out each day, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love doesn't matter, win, loss.
I know, but I'm saying, like, in general, like, has the PA, have you been excited for the PA, or are you kind of like just whatever it comes, you're going to take? I mean, because you have to be honest and know that. No, this month, July. Like, July, you've hit 2 DLLs so far, right? Like, it hasn't been the best month, like, so far, right?
Yeah, but
I mean, are you making money still?
Payouts.
All right, you know what? Screw you, bro.
I'm about to take another 13.5 today. So, bro,
Bro, this guy's not live trading, bro. He's doing it all by himself, I think. He's just keeping it for himself.
Bro, it's AM. I have a special like time slot that I trade. After that, I come mess around with you, you know? We have fun.
All right. So let's do this giveaway. Let's give away these 3 accounts, Yushi. Me and you are gonna compete here for in the races. So that should be fun. That should be fun, chat.
I'm just sharing everything with Alex, bro. Gatekeeping my ass.
This trade looks like it's gonna work out. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna work out, chat. I'm a believer in the wide stop loss gang. All right, chat, let's get these names in here, and I'm doing it in front of you guys because I love you. And I want you guys to see the pure honesty that we are not cheating, that every single person who enters gets into these giveaways. Just like that. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, how much have you taken from Funded Next in payouts?
Total?
Yeah.
Let me tell you. Let me log in. I think they have like a thing that tells you, right?
I have no idea. I think so.
Oh, it does. So when you take a payout in their thing, it tells you your lifetime payouts. I can just let me log in. 132.
All right. Do you want to be interviewed by me? Do you want to be my first interview for them on YouTube? It's called.
Sure.
It's called Interview the Trader segment, where.
Damn, that's creative, bro.
I didn't make it up, bro. I'm just the guy behind the scenes. All right.
You couldn't come up with anything more creative than interview the trader.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Dude, I'm down. You know, Alex. I'm a boy. I got you.
All right, beautiful. All right, let me edit this. Because I forgot to put us, man. We got to put ourselves in here. All right, so we're gonna put OF Yush, and we're gonna put T-Made Alex. All right, chat. But you know what we're gonna do, chat? We're not gonna put it there. We're gonna put OF at the OF Yush down at the bottom somewhere. And I'm gonna go right here next to Soma. Seems like a very nice, warm place to be. Very kind, loving spot right there.
If Soma doesn't win, you know why.
In between Soma and Market Tacticin. All right, chat, let's do this. 1 minute, 30 seconds of the best races you've seen today. 3 accounts coming. We have a Lucid, a TPT, and a Trade Up. Oh, can we do it? Yes, we can. Let's go. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yush definitely starting an OF after people seeing him in yoga pants. Bro, 100%. 100%.
I don't see my name, bro. What the heck is this shit?
Bro, this is rigged, bro. It's rigged.
Rigged.
Yo, how many likes did we get today? Have you looked at our...
I have not. Let's see.
Yo, put it up for me, the YouTube, so you can tell me.
We got 1K. 1K.
Oh, baby.
1K.
Let's go, baby. 1,000. Yo, we had 1,000 viewers in the New York AM session.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, that
Let's go.
Yeah, we broke 1,000 viewers, bro. Pretty wild.
Is that a new record?
Yeah, it's a record. We had a record today for viewers. I don't know, man. I think adding the TPT probably helped. I think a lot of people wanted to come win those TPT accounts.
TPT has a very cult-like following, like Lucid.
Yeah, they love it. So, man, we got a Pratish in here. We've got Adrian Prika here. Harvey Mand. We've got Paul investing on a 9 to 5. I think that's my boy, Callie. We've got Hermes in the house here. We've got Lolino. We've got Tara Sosa. We have no OF Yush here at all. OF Yush is so slow. That man is a very slow man. And we've now seen that me and Yush never even appeared. This is obviously rigged. The hosts don't even come on here. Not cool, chat. Not cool. So what we're going to do, chat, we're going to do the first 2 spots are going to win an account here. So Cashless Cone.
How is it rigged? We didn't even get our names here, bro. It's not rigged.
Oh, dude, Brandon just won. Yo, Brandon just won, dude. That's hilarious, bro. I think is it the same Brandon that just sent that picture? That's so funny, dude. Let me see. Let me check. Dude, Brandon just won. That's sick, dude.
Let's go.
All right, so Brandon won. That's first place. Second place is Morph W. Russell. Brandon says I won because of the pick. All right, so Brandon, as the first place winner, is going to take a Lucid account. So you got yourself a Lucid there, Brandon. Now we're going to go here to Morph W. Russell. You, my friend, have won a TPT. And then our last place winner, because you know I love to do last place, is Akaza. Akaza, you got yourself a beautiful Tradeify account here. Who else is giving away the best accounts in the biz? Some of the best accounts in the biz, chat. All right, so we did that. Beautiful. Giveaways are done, chat. All right, so what did you say you wanted to do, Yushi Yush?
So EA just came out with new plans. They look pretty good.
All right, let's talk about it.
Pull them up.
Let's talk about it, my boy. Let's pull it up on the prop for match.
Do they have them? Because they just released.
Let's check. See how fast my team is. All right, futures. By the way, I'm going to be live on E8 stream Thursday morning. You better tune in, man. All right. Ooh. So we have, let's see what accounts we have here.
No, they don't have them, bro.
They don't have them yet?
They don't have them. They released some new E80, 2 types of E80 accounts.
Well, it still works with code match though, that's for sure. So code match still works very nicely. So let's talk about those accounts then. Is it already on the site?
Yeah, I'm looking right now. So this is actually, the cool part is there's no live. There's no going to live, right? So a lot of people don't want to trade live. So if you look at just, I think you're on Forex right now.
I am. How do I switch to, oh, right here, futures market.
Right, yeah.
All right, let's check this out.
These accounts don't really have live, especially the zeros and the zero.
So is it the zero or the signature you're talking about?
Zero.
All right, let's go to the zero.
So those are the new ones. So again, you get full, I guess, freedom in the funded. No consistency, no DLL, daily payouts apparently, as you can see. 3 things that everyone wishes for. And they have a filter where you can get 80% or 100% profit split. Obviously, one's going to be more expensive, right? And they have 50K, 100K, and 200K accounts. Interesting, right? 200K. No 150K. And the interesting thing is on the 100Ks, the payout cap is 5K, Alex.
Damn, that's great.
And you can have 5 accounts. You can
is there any DLL?
No DLL.
Bro, E8 is cooking. And you know what's cool about the E8 is that my website looks kind of like this. It's the same colors for the teammate website that I'm working on. They obviously stole it from me.
I think they probably use a bit of Claude, if I'm going to be honest with you.
I would agree. So they have Ninja Trader and Tradeivate. If you use code match, they have let me see what they have. Choose your account. Zero max. Get an E8 zero. So the 100K is 353 one time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty good deal, man. 80% split. You get a $3,000 drawdown, and you get a 5K payout. Pretty good, dude.
And there's no live, so you can get.
You got to make 6.5K.
Yeah.
So you can get more than 5 payouts.
So once you after you get 5 payouts from one account, you have to start over. So you don't go live. You just have to. They give you like a free. They reset the account. They give you the eval, and you just have to do it again. There's no live.
That's pretty badass. That's honestly badass, dude.
Yeah, that's for people that don't like live.
People are asking for activation fee. There's no activation fee.
No.
Wow, Alex, are you now staying on till 4 CT? I'm just hanging out, man. I should be done already like 30 minutes ago, but we're hanging out. I got Yush here, but we're about to call it here, chat. I'm going to let this trade run. It's probably not going to do anything. I'll probably just cut it at 450. I'll come back and just cut it wherever it is, chat. But yeah, so bro, I appreciate you hanging out, man. We're gonna have to talk more Gex levels and more Gex Gamma stuff
For sure,
one of these days here. And yeah, man, I just want you to know I appreciate you, bro. I got a lot of love for you, bro. Your family, you're like a brother from another mother. I always say it. I think chat loves you. I love you. So guys, big W's here for Yush. And if you want to support Yush, let's put your link in here, Yushi. Is it just yushcapital.co?
Yeah, yushcapital.co. Like, anytime I can, we always have a fun time. It's a fun. I don't even know how to trade. I feel like you don't even know how to trade. We just talk about whatever.
Yeah,
we just have fun, dude. So,
I mean, bro, the only time yeah, I mean, really, honestly, the only time I'm taking it serious is Lunchbox. Once Lunchbox is over, which it ended at today, I took a nice short to Lunchbox. Lunchbox ended at 240. So after 240, that was all just fun, entertainment purposes, you know. But yeah, man, I appreciate you, bro. I think the chat loves it too. Big thanks to Alex and Yush. Had an amazing time hanging out with you guys. Really enjoyed the stream. Looking forward to the next one. Appreciate you, Preset. Appreciate you. It's late for stream, Alex. You are fired. Yush, you are hired and fired as well. All right, guys. Appreciate you. Does PFM vet these newcomers, and how long do they have to be in business with proven payouts? That's a good question, Lloyd. Yes, they vet every single firm. They look at the overall payouts. I believe they have to be paying out for a year straight, but don't quote me on that. But it is a rigorous process to get put on PFM. That's one thing I will say. And they can easily be taken off if they fail. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. Matt Evison in the chat saying thank you, Alex and Yush. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate you. Great show. Looking forward to Friday. I mean, you can come in tomorrow. You know, I'm here too, bro. CBM bots were created for one reason only: to showcase the true power of the CMBM strategy, a strategy built entirely from scratch by myself. Very cool, man. Don't know much about your strategy, but hey, thanks for coming here and hanging, bro. Again, chat, me and Yush love y'all. We really do, but it is time for us to get the F out of here. And you know we're going to end it with a little Lunchbox swag. Yes, sir.
Lunchbox legend, teammate Alex.
All right, Yush, you ready to get out of here with me?
All right, bro. Always great.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Teammate Alex. Let's go.
Come on, baby, start moving. I need some movement there. Come on.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. I can't move like that. What is that? What is that?
You don't got that? All right, chat. We love you. We love you. We love you. We are out of here. Yush, I love you too, bro. I'll talk to you later. Peace.
He don't chase candles, he lets them come. Silent assassin when the mark.
I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
When Alex locks in, he's better than the rest. Teammate Alex let the lunchbox play. 12 to 4 p.m. That's when he gets paid. Prop firm matches where it's at. Tries getting nervous when he's at his desk. Lunchbox legend, level so tight. Taking the liquidity morning and night. From open to close, he stays on attack. When teammate Alex trays, there's no looking back. No looking back. There's no PO3.